All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Please do me a favor, like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. All right, we are back again. You know, I told us that I will come back, and coming back to respond to Lasuba. We are here again. Just to do just what I told you that we will do. Okay, so you can as well share this video to many platforms of your choice. Like I said, it won't cost you much. It won't cost you much. All right. So I made a video just to react on the post that CS made about the changes in security and all that. I did not add, I did not subtract. I just read what CS post about new structure, about the army, about the new commanders, about the changes in the system. Do you understand? So I did that. Just a moment, because I have to get something right. Just a moment. Sorry about that. So I told us my take on that video. I made it clear to her that I'm not here to analyze that video because it is about security. It is about army, which many of you can tell that I have made it clear here that I'm not going to talk about Biafran Liberation Army. That I don't. There are some things that I don't want to talk, which many of you don't like. Do you understand? I am not stupid. I know. I understand that some of you want me to say something. There are some things that you want me to comment on. You want to know my reaction, and it makes some people believe that Kai report is not actually rooted in what is going on. He's very. You can't trust him. I know that, but I have to be sure. I have to be sure of what I want to talk about. I have to be sure of what I want to discuss about. I don't want to go beyond my limits. Do you understand? Now, this thing has something to do. It's not about fear. It's not about you have agenda or anything at all. It simply means that I don't want to say something that I don't have details. Do you understand about it? Now, when CS made that public, put the names, the structure, and the removal of Oyami and Solomon Nkwocha, I read it. We went through it, and I told her that I want to know your take, which I received a lot of opinion. My comment section was flooded with a different idea. People actually reached out to me, that on the comment section, not private, telling me, Kai report, do this, do that. Kai report, say this, that kind of thing. What I'm trying to tell you is because I am not here to do or hide anything. If I ignore that message, many of you may think, especially those who are looking for what to say, excuse me, they'll be like, oh, you don't want to talk about this one because you are committing evil, you are part and parcel of evil. You are doing, which I have told us that, one, I'm not a cabinet member. I'm not holding any secret meeting. I'm not in any meeting. I have a platform where I share my own opinion and give people chance to share their own opinion. But there's something I said when I started, that I'm not coming here to build enemy. And neither am I coming here to be a psychopath. I can only tell you what I think, what I felt that is what you understand. That what I think that is good for you to know, not to buy anything from anybody. Or you can like him, or you get hate. And I made it clear to all that I'm not counting on people who actually hate me. Neither am I counting on people who actually love me. My concern is let my enemies, let my supporters, outnumber those who hate me. And God has been wonderful. Do you understand? I also made it clear to us here that I'm not here to receive any special treatment or preference or favoritism. Why I'm saying it, not because I'm rich. When people reach out to me and say, "Kai Report, I want to support you to build a platform, to not build to have system devices like stream platform, laptop, what it takes to set up this kind of broadcast." If you know me before, I only use my phone and put it on a portrait form, and I talk. People like it. Those who hate it, hate it. I understand. But you see, every now and then people keep on misunderstanding what you do here. Before I go further, because this is 10 minutes to the program, let me actually appreciate some of us that are here with me this hour. We have Evans Ike. Vex Ike, I see you. Our brother political Bruhaha is here as well. Obinna, my greetings to you, Obinna. Kevin is here. And Juliet, of course, Ogwejo, for Franca Okonkwo. These are people that have, notified me that they are here by putting their comment. Because you see me, I can't see you. I can only know that you are watching when you put a comment. So that my reaction to the post of COS, which I did not even do analysis. I just read it and leave it out there and ask some questions, which the friends have actually answered most of my questions. But is me being relevant? The answer is no. What is going on with my camera? I can't see myself anymore. Excuse me. I can't see. Okay, it's back. What happened? Anyway, sorry about that. Sorry about that. So it's not about Kai Report. It's not about what Kai Report said and all that. Please, is my voice coming out? Because I can see that my picture is not yet out from my phone here. What is going on? Can you see me? I can't see myself from here. I can't see myself from here. My system here, you can see me, right? My phone shows that my image is not coming out here. I don't know why. Am I being attacked or what? Kevin say we cannot see you, but you can hear my voice. Yes, your voice is coming out, but I cannot see you. No. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Okay, just a moment. Don't get away. Don't get away. Let us refresh and see why it's like. Is something here in my phone? Just a moment. Let me refresh. All right, just a moment. Let me bring up the videos again because, excuse me. Please make sure you like the video. Like the video, like the video. And you can as well share it to many platforms of your choice, if you don't mind. You can share it to many platforms of your choice, like I said, if you don't mind, and give the video a thumbs up so that others may know that we are here this hour. Although I told us that I will come back, so we are here for that. Please, can you see me? Is my picture out there? Can you see me from my own side here? I think it's out. Please let me know in case if you are not seeing me. I really don't know why the whole thing hangs, to be honest with you, but I thank God that it's out from my side. I'm yet to confirm from you though. Please, if you can see me, let me know. Just indicate that you can see me. Just help me indicate that you can see me. All right. All right. So we are back in full, and we are going to go straight to the program, like I said. But let me just make it clear to us that that video that I did triggered some people, and they triggered why is such a, because she's the one that have made video about that video, trying to mock herself and all that. But there are a few things she said that actually made me to come back again and digest it for her to know. So in case if you are her agent or if you are in contact with her, of course, like Obreze, who always watch hiding, Obreze, you can actually copy this. I said even both of you do watch. So this video is for why you saw chat in particular. All right, I just want her to go through this just to hear what you are, my own response to her, not for any other thing, but just for her to understand that we are not sleeping. We can see. And please, like I said, if you have not liked the video, hit like button. Now let's go straight to the program. Pay attention. Okay, just pay attention. You get why. You get why. You get why.
I want you people to watch this man called Carry Television.
Now, her video did not start from here. Okay. I am sorry in case if you are being distracted, just bear with me, okay? And let me let you know, this is I don't want to start from the beginning of her video where she talked about that. I just want to focus on the one that concerns me. Where she talked about me, then I want to start from there. All right, because I don't have time for all the nonsense that she vomit from her mouth. But pay close attention to what the video is all about. Listen. What he said again, I want you to tell me if you agree or disagree. All right. After this, I will tell you what my own belief and my own take on that.
Everything done to the number of people can put them in the world is listening. So I was saying, our sister was calling and said, "Oh, why are the they're against us because we speak the truth?" Okay. Allow me to tell you what people again. Anything done to the number of people, I-G-B-O, that's the whole thing. Allow me to repeat.
I'm not the one saying it. Sato était le meilleur. Eh bien, j'ai vérifié moi-même. J'ai failli faire la pub.
We did many things in the past which brought them in success. Okay. That was why he condemned the land.
Okay.
Only Biafra can cleanse us.
Okay.
The redemption that will come is through Biafra. Because Biafra.
Now, this video is this lady made, that's what is called the reel on Facebook. Reel is just like a short on YouTube. A video that's not more than 1 minute, all right, is considered to be a short. Ubeja Toka, I see you. And Chinwe Obiwa, I see you. Obiwa, I see you. Mr. Jonas, greetings to you, Jonas, and SNS Wachuku. I see you guys on comment section. Thank you for joining me. This short video is the video that this lady uploaded, and because I know this woman as one of those who hate Mazda Morgano and PM. She's just like, she's Ikenga from why, like Ikenga Urago in woman form, or Ijele Dudele in a woman form. This woman in African can never. Then when I get hold of that video, I said, okay, let me know what the video is all about. I played it. Behold, it happened to be voice of Mazda Morgano giving just kind of lecture. One of the things that he said in his broadcast, that Nandi Igbo, now the word IGBO, no Buabomono. Now that word Buabomona, Jafre Jano, Gabifa gets you a fish a poo, Abomona. So that you can start referring yourself, or we refer ourselves mainly as a Biafran, not Igbo. Again, reason is not because of the word, the alphabet is a problem, but what people have done using that name provoked God of creation. This is lecture of Master Mordecai. Then I said that I could remember in the past, I have said something like this before, that our people need to understand that there are some things that our forefathers have done that we may need cleansing. That we may need cleansing on that. Now, Nigeria is made up of a lot of nations, which Igbo is one of a nation in Nigeria. Why is it that our own seems to be like we are not favored in many things? Have we offended God? Understand the reason why I played that clip. Then now watch how this woman twists it. Pay attention.
Now the message is the name is crossed. It is crossed. And that only redemption is Biafra.
Thank you, Joa.
I've told us many times that I think that we are crossed. Our land.
If I am one-on-one with you, will you tell me shut up? If I am one-on-one with you, will you tell me shut up, Lasuba? It doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter your age. That's just a fact. Because man to go on if you show your hello up. Show your hell up. Lasuba. You have no manners, no respect. But Konaga, legend. Okoko. In a good shut up and everything. I was also on car. In a good shut up and everything. Now, I am not an Igbo man. Do you understand? All of a sudden, I am no more an Igbo man. Because that is why I'm no more an Igbo man. Okay, for her. Then ask this woman, what does it take to be an Igbo man? What do you want to see in an Igbo man that you are not seeing in me? I am not an Igbo man. Oye dikagoa. Free food. Dikagoa. Free food. Na one more oyibo. Iba Adamo, Adajan, and Lasuba, na Sudan. We used to hear that, oh, no more, even America, men cause. We used to hear that. No, all Kafana, I don't know, but if you go sing no more, you will be for you to call me a Fulani woman means that you are trying to tell me that my mother didn't land Fulani, or maybe my father and my mother born Fulani. Because last time I checked, you are the one that is somehow attached to Fulani. But I'm not here to do that kind of, one-on-one dragging with you. The Don, I see you, the Don, you're welcome. Greetings to you, my brother. You cannot just wake up and say this person is not an Igbo person without having any proof. Like, if I told us that Ijele is not an Igbo person, the attitude, the hatred Ijele have, or do I even call him Ijele? I always call him Ijele. I think Udele have on Igbo people will tell you that he's not. But Lasuba, who don't care about the blood of Ndibo, but always trying to tell you that now they Ndibo. Can they on the enablers? You are trying enabler. This video, this live broadcast, we are going to touch a lot of things, and we are going to connect. Just it's about her. I'm not going to talk about any other thing here on this video. About her and what she said and what she have done. A very useless woman. You cannot point finger at me, just to claim that I'm not an Igbo person, without you having anything to justify that. I am more Igbo than you, Lasuba. I am more Igbo than you. There's nobody from my lineage that married outside Igbo land. But you married a Sudanese man, a Fulani descendant. You use, because of there's a war in Sudan, you cross through sea, you find yourself in France, and you are here telling me that I'm not an Igbo man. Are you proud of your children? Why don't you present them? At least they are matured enough. They are matured. Your children are they are of age to have their own family. According to Mazakwa, your son abandoned you for years now. You don't even know where he is. You can't even coordinate your own offspring, your own children. You can't even control them. Again.
Do you know why he wanted it God? Do you know why? I wanted the master now the kind of
Peter, I say you're welcome, Peter.
Because now there are many things in the past. He didn't say that. He didn't mention if I in the past. This name to the God.
I did not even mention the reason why the name is cursed, did I? But if not that I played the video, Voice of Master Americano, and I come out and say that, like I've said before, maybe you did not get hold of that one. Let's assume that in this video that I said Igbo as IGBO, no Babamon, you wouldn't have believed that part. No, from Monomas Namodecano, Odogayana, or Blow from Kai reports alone. If Master the Kano, and you get why. People know what that means. But somebody like you who is not actually well trained, you are not well informed, you keep on mixing words without collecting yourself. You cannot be proud of what you are saying or what you are doing. Because current concern, you are still Lasuba, a woman that has made herself as a free food for Fulani descendants. They get. In area. No, we call about useless people like Papi and Mamia, Igbo land. I am not half Igbo. I am not partially Igbo, and I'm not gonna. I don't need to explain to you. I'm just saying it for record purpose. Do you understand? Not because of you. You go and na get bolon come na read na do waste time. At na job or gone. Abulu gone. Why kedi last is on na Igbo. Lasuba. Kedi last. You know na France yo. Iju akwụkwọ France yo. You can go back home. If at all, but kekwe ki gesu ebe ọ bụ ị ga-esi na Nigeria ebe ọ bụ na ife ju bata bụ ịbatara zoye Sudan. We change afa gị to Lasuba. Legend. Free food now one number cost people. You are just a free food. In my family, my name is free food. If a free food, toilet bowl. Onye pụta ọkwọcha aka ka ife akwụkwọ ya gị na-eme agwa ị na-agbagosi n'ịrụ ka n'ọrụ n'Europe ịrụgo ọrụ dị tired ege ntị ife na-amara ama ịghọtago anọbeghị ebe a na-ogbuo mmadụ. I never support igbu ọchụ. Okay. So anything killing, my hands are very, very clean. You get the point? I don't promote violence. That is why some people don't even like, my method of broadcast. That is just a fact. Because some people want me to come out here and start, shouting and praising everybody, shouting and shouting and shouting. But I have to, be sure. I am not in your house. You are not in my house. I don't know what you are doing. You don't know what I do. So I can only sing praises of Ngefulaya. So if you talk of because to you, everybody they watch. Going for well up. Everybody they will judge in your own interpretation. Everybody is a suspect. Everybody is a crime committer. Now, what I can give of course, they get. There's no free food the kage. Oh, why the kage na amabata nonsense na Igbo. Listen. Reason why you are even shouting Biafra because one, your own father abandoned you allegedly. He disowned you before Ofaka. If you I don't know who you are. Then give one akona name go Moaka imolu Fulani Sudan. And people who put him another direction, no need you maka 5 and hatch Papa 5. Among Mezoku, Manade Coco Iju maka 5. And out of these 5 children, na Fanchawe Ofunna. Wasn't me fair teaching again and they know. Open is okay for no Okagema. No Okagema. Because no at least Oko banana around we give father the whole baby chicken. Do you understand? Managewa. Ogi mulofu ofunna. Otesi ga come akagewa and he put up the debunk which now is Otesi kwe na afaka Lasuba. He put up the way deny na afaka Lasuba. Igbo kwele ekwe Igbo Sudan. Yet you can go in a like aja ni Igbo si arụ ọrụ. John aja ni Igbo go go give meeting last. Go give Maroko na aja ni Igbo last. Mana ipote ma woka mana gena ina afio. Ogbu ochu de kage. Pata na agwa ma go ogbu ochu. E check bo ya obale aka dị n'ọbara aka gị dị n'ọbara. E check we check. Based on the info on social media, you cannot exempt yourself. But everybody want to tag or to this everybody. Why? Ogbumma adekwe ke were ma pụọ ya azụ. Ogbumma odekwe ke were ma pụọ ya azụ. Please, in case if you are just joining me, make sure you like the video. Very, very important. Very, very, very important. Please like the video. We are still here. Pay attention.
In our land, on a point where we the cost.
For go in and bata obara from the abroad on bata is enough. Because if I make go mark him on it is so perfect so money kidnap go now it kidnap go mark from their father. In a chocolate mother for an Igbo because our Obinna Chimere because he can asro for Igbo language. How about I get a kid that Papa? Oh, my Kemosha Sudan. It's a little than an Igbo. Kid their father. In few years to come, if you don't know how to make a social media, you want to go to the now because of that to us. From your own blood, your own DNA is a suspect. If you talk about say Ajo Baragia with in case Sudan, we muzu maka family. I not why you want to have an Igbo. On at who's expenses? If the market Sudan na cheap more than Igbo. At whose expenses? At whose detriment? If you not keep better than Igbo now. Have go Umajan, and I'm what it will give me. Are you the one that pregnant yourself? Even if a decent woman, as why I jan, he cannot. Why not why not both? Why? But in a bomb for number ye flat. How dare you? O Ezig. O man can give me one. Because he never knocked my mother, which I have warned you before. Don't go there. But since you choose to go there, we are going to test that part. We are going to test that part starting from now. Okay, but my mother, I told you, stay away, remove my mother, my parents from your lips. Because I'm listening now. You cannot think I'm not talking with my parents. You didn't get it because I want you. Stay with my neighbor, if I ask anybody works now, go Katienti. Yana Borapo, Yana Borequenaka, Yana Yabo. So, give up Ago Katienti. Gena Boro de Quenaka. I want you all to pay close attention to what we are going to discuss now. There's any Lasuba history. Naibu is the name of our father. Master can say that now the word Igbo originated from Ndibo, ancient people. Ndibo, not me. Master Namukano made that his position. He delivered that lecture. Go on now. Why is he a Kube cake in Abi? Is he a Kube cake in Abi? History. The Igbo is our father. What do you know about the Igbo people? What do you know? All every you were manners. What working Bob not to Polygon? Oh, come on, Rihanna again, the guy and also mewa. Get again, and also mewa. Guy again, and also mewa. You can say Buse all one and a better Sudan. But I give one more. Well, you made mention of my mother. So let us go through that one. That is a lie. Ndibo. Oko Lasuba.
The name of my own father, Igbo, is not a God's name. That is his.
A man on the if an open name, if you matter, if I know walking every family, every noble of Guabamon. Awagana, I'm saying this for people that are listening, not because of this woman, because she don't have brain, she don't have manners, she have no soul. So there's no point wasting my time. First thing first, the word Igbo, like Master kind of said, in Igbo land, Owaja Gaban, Owaja and Agaskata Kagachuaja. Akpafa ndị Igbo tienya chụaja ọ maka everybody. Wezie ife mmadụ ga-eme wit ya fa ndị Igbo jikọ aka ọnụ ndị Igbo ma gụwa bụ Igbo ikere okere okene ya olesi ijikwa ima how to distance yourself from such thing. But not when Igbo people have committed something as a culture, as a menan, and they did it. Almost every corner of Igbo land, participated. That is enough to attract cost. I'm not gonna go there. Listen. When you hear not the carbon they decide that, then they buy in around all that. It does not mean that you are not gonna progress, but sometimes things may not be the way you expect it to be, simply because of who you are or what some people have done because of who you are, using the name or your descendant. All right, that is where you come from as Igbo people. But then some people don't understand, and I want that somehow. But I'm not gonna go there. Like I said, just pay attention. I just want you to understand that it's not about the unable to know who were born. It should go with the different guinea put up more than cables. Go on, get one thing. Oh, we be big and wagana. Could it be this? Could it be that? Hold it. Let's continue. We are not here for that. We are here to remind us that Ndoke Igbo need to do something. And if they are told they want to have it, Mazam can made it clear. Now this name go abamon. No ya keji pe but them na bambo. Kadafra bla ke we fa na egu. Teach Bafa. So you say me fi na me na Biafra. Ka Chineke no we no yere ndi ngia. Man odro easy. Why is it not easy? Because we have people like Lasuba. Ndị okwu ọzọ eme ọzọ. Ndị oji aba na-egbu. Na-eget.
Because for what that Igbo and our father Igbo were caused to man together with me. Because of which they kept on, but they're very better. There is a reason why all say that many things in the past. Or that is the name of the cost. Or the name of our father is the cost. Because of our attitude. And one that you will buy on.
Oh, kwero mana her problem no carry report na carry report kuru magia at all. It become an issue. I did not say that is the word IGB alone that is a cost name just for just like that. Something happened, and that thing is what our forefather did in the past and all that. Do you understand it? Now let's continue.
That is why because before before I'm not to wire gates. So you will have electric wires, which is everywhere. Or before. Marado all the guitar. Or that by that burn out. Before now, when you told what happened to you, the while we are there, I just brought it to you. You said you stand the door, I did go. Just that I've been doing it, you don't clear poison. Marakita, he is Johnny Martia, didn't come or check up or check it. I'm going to have a quick, we find out it's going to voice. Can I never tell you all this nonsense? Can I go on money this? So before you talk, ask question. I better back rubbish or something that you don't even know.
I come on 100 million times. So what is it? All of you. Also for Konkan Nav. Or another Lasuba Konkan Nav. You know nothing. Igbo ofeke. Free food ojo. Now in a we are just free food. Just relax. I got through you. I can see Chibos. I see you. I think this was the second time. I think you have made a comment before. Okay, maybe not. And then we have Uncle Jerry. Uncle Jerry is here with us. Nkiru, I see you. Shameless Ashawo Lasuba. Oh, your free food, my dear. You what about the best? Again. Oh, your job.
This man to go somewhere because I thought to him. If family man are being followed that not that so fit to more. I didn't ask him now the can.
Yeah, no fake. Evidence Nibo. They were Abomono Gewa. How just imagine that after struggling, trying to mobilize in the Igbo, teachings after teachings, exposition after exposition, then all of a sudden the Igbo will put an name. Is evidence na ordinarily you are not supposed to be here. That is just the gospel. Your presence alone shows that a cause. No, we have on the your presence alone goes low abomon. After give obato you don't bring anything good, no positive energy, no truth, no respect, no regard, zero conscience and zero souls. So how can you not tell me that your presence is justified that claim? Give what we go to Lasuba with pure evidence. Then it declares. Because without it, how can you be close to her? Just think about it. For you to get close to Master American at all, in case I know what can and according to you, which I don't know how true is that. Now what can I take a France? That France now took a gun and say to Nenya. You said it. So if that is the case, upon everybody of France all over the world and in France, that cannot send it to the main account. But that's a sign if I may not win any declares. Because ordinarily you are able to pay for the see mega now because if a virus, you're a virus. So now if I make it out, the make it out. Antibiotic. I get you an cure virus in the kajo. If you knew one, you can rant. Nobody will confront you. Nobody will challenge you. That's what they think. You could handle it out. Who told you that? Why draw like that? Why draw like that? Everything must not go through you. But you actually think that it is normal. This must pass through Lasuba. In case you plug in, that alone shows that now, easy maybe you have nothing to offer. Oh my God. You know, fake people always want to validate their present, want to validate their identity. They always want to make you feel that they are rooted with divine enemy. But the truth is that Ofeki is always Ofeki. They always talk on the surface. They can't focus. Ofeki can't focus. Do you understand? They can't focus. And that is what you are doing now. And I know you are just Ofeki, like I said. Very funny. No, that is not the intention. Or to expose now if your presence, people like you, Ijele, Keshos, Jovika, that is what it is. The intention of playing that short clip is to reveal to Biafrans that if I na focus kita, if I na focus kita na national, nda na bagay kita they can need to go. Every day you come out and you keep on picking on Biafrans and yapping nonsense on them. Man can deserve, man can deserve for you know. You see that na you need the angel. Can never woto. At the same time, you know go find it nobody. You see that na USB government USB charger. But at the same time, you know actually matter if hand make and everything off. We are battling people like you because of that. We need cleansing. Like not because of any other thing, but just to prove to the whole world that I not following the again. When did no way because if you put the like that. You know that that na again we know. I'm na if you nobody pays attention on you. Or when I see you, when I say good evening, sir, God bless you, sir. All Biafrans, amen. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your comment and your prayer. I'll block you away. Oh, and it is stupid. It's supposed him and I'll block you away, matter. But when we begin to understand that people like you that is around, that claiming that you are saying that and doing that because you are evil. You are evil, and that could be one of the elements of the cause and the go here. There's no cook.
And for no needed useless. And your plan can never work. It's a promise. Nothing will make us get our leader. Because someone that's like this.
Gift, okay, I agree to you, my sister.
You people and your criminal madam are like if you don't meet them, join them.
Exactly. Shut up. We will not allow free food. Free food, Mechian. Nkiru said, Lasuba's children will mostly likely turn out to be like Udele. Of course. And by that time, let's assume that this woman is not on social media. Just think about it. Imagine that like ordinarily we may not even know who she is, right? And all of a sudden, Opono man can buy for an school, you know, that kind of thing. How come my own day, which I get you the go, man, always no or balance that again and they did with. You know, we maybe mama guess your mother. Do you understand? I told those years, it was not yesterday or the day before yesterday, that many people actually, some of Igbo women, you know, that want to have boyfriend of a Nigerian soldier, Nigerian army, Nigerian police, navy, name them. Ndugu, and then from Zaria. Ndana, no anything, no shoot. You know what? I said it here. And I am not saying that to make fun. It is true. Because I know. I know why I said that. You get why? It's something I know. Many Igbo women want to have a boyfriend in not a barrack. And some of them, do what I like you. Now we experience. Or why is it yeah? Or why you don't want? Oh, that's not the and the family cannot even challenge them because of we jump like wow. Or now back about this. No, I mean, wait to one email. Go on, even one can do or see Papa again or wire. The man like why I better go the man like where the game you're gonna put. I got no I got go on as one more Akakuna. Ekuna Pico. Because if I go know what the man, I go with Monowa from Korea. Makanoya to him all your problem. Oji he lost double to make in a black Maria. And I take it for no reason. No court, nothing whatsoever. Otaka mama mamia. Swim pengara, watching ya. Omota this Mbrokasu never. Omota Mbrokasu no Omota here. Otokonaka because Obala Fulani always connect. That's why you see them from Sahel. Fulani na Burkina Faso. Fulani is in Niger. They all want to come back because they always try to go back to their roots. Whether you like it, they always go back. Instead of them not to go back to their roots, they will bring their brothers to your place, to your place, to your present, and dominate. I'm going to China. They say, "Now, weird. Free food, they can go. Pure free food. And they always want to validate their points, want to make it look like they know what they're saying. That what they're saying is the truth. You know, they again now. Gula Camon Flana would say group now nonsense. I'm H9 I make up my car. And I didn't know. Mammy, I found a man of mammy, a man of my pair. Because I'm looking to see that John. In taking a walk because I'm going to do it. This is not what I am before. That's why she keep on hiding the face. Because all the good need showcase herself. Obego, Tom, or Meka, or Bamba, Goku, or Bromaka Zonas. Or people do my go move to everything. And she's also one to chief of army staff in the fallback republic. Chief of army staff. All right, I have a number, have army, I talked to oh my god. Oh my god, need a quote. Nah, this guy. Oh my god, need a quote. Oh my god, need a quote. Madam Maggie, Azoya Jan. In my wuna Jana. Cause just not the porn in Ako, simply because they feel that you can wind your mouth. In a bomb more never now, or you're full of flat. Although the problem I will with you, but a problem in a bomb flat because we know you for that. One more you for well up. I'm about to get it. Master Gano is a flat man. Typical flat. Look at the Udel giving you analysis on how they should have hung Ojuku. Why? Because how they should have hung was Rike, they should quickly hang Uma. This is Fulani for you. Once you do what they don't want, the only thing that appears to them in their mind is cut off. All going to hammer them. And they go to the Virginia Barry. Oh, you can I'm not going to go because of that to us now. You have traced back your route to Sudan. Mota che yere bete ye good na France Adam okay o aja kam kola nu kwenu mo ko na chi na ba adan da ke kime adan na ko no bula adan ya bu from Sudan na adan bo we adan na bula adan ne on ya bu from Sudan bo ro ma ke mota Sudan bo ga Sudan ani bo abule ba na have a free gift. Oge na to so ko we wolo ipo o we balo touch and often in a wine mat. Let's continue. I told you stay away, don't mention my mother, but you insisted. I need to step up on you full time. Ascertain, I see you. Doreen is here. Ogwejo 4 Triple M. Julian, I see you. Chibozo, I greet you. I greet all of you. Mo. Malifato. Imalifato. You have no bread. I swear, you don't have any bread.
And I wanted a mass and the kind of say, we are. Oh, my own mama to go wherever I can so much of something.
Our people, you look for our I've said it many times.
Our people will withdraw that our people. Igbo people are cursed. Our people will withdraw ya. Since they Igbo people. Our people will withdraw our people. Since they Igbo people are cursed. How But you see why I tell you that this criminal is not an Igbo man. Only who come to wealth 100%. Oh, do not have a buano. Oh, do not have a I'm about to one
if we're a comedian, truly.
We are or with the throne, I'm a so now. Since
Okay.
How can you just like you have everything? We are like people that have everything, but you are very, very hungry.
Even when I said we, you don't understand it. Naibo people, we are. Why are you Igbo people come? It matter no general issue, not kind report issue. Man, this name watch and name as Igbo name aka guy go get water. Guy carry again. Guy
And that brings me to the news that we are getting. Scott, I think that's the title. The United States of Biafra government has appointed General Caterpillar as a new teacher in
Actually, I'm going to get here.
Okay.
Okay.
Internal Defense Secretary, I don't know, or I don't know if they actually mean this or just like that.
Which is true.
It sounds like they are teasing some people like.
Mm-hmm.
As a secretary of defense secretary, I saw defense nonsense. I don't care. But I am on the way I'm wrong.
Because I am not in the cabinet. You don't understand. Because I am not in the cabinet. I am not an insider. Man, in Utobogin have an platform. They may not understand. Now, when I saw that news, when I read everything, because I retain information, I know what happened yesterday. So when I see similar thing this today, I will be able to connect and say what is going on. And it's not that I'm not saying that to challenge anybody to tell you what to do, because it is not my bad me. Do you understand? It's not about me. I don't care if USB government want to appoint anybody. It's not my business. I'm not here to police the government. If you don't get it, my own is to tell you this is what the news is all about. Because it's not tied on me. It is about the will of the people. On the Biafra Keta Chok Mr. A. Bolife Dota Obama Gabrasigan Bambana I can't do that. Unlike you, if you follow the time, it must happen the way you want. It must happen the way you want, even though when you are not in any way close to what is going on. You want it to be your way. So you expect me to come here and say, oh, you see, I don't want this, I don't want that. Really? As what? Am I in the cabinet? No. Am I in the government? No. Am I in the security? No. I just asked a question. Is it a new caterpillar or something like that? When you and the seer was bashing everyone about caterpillar, I said I have never. It's just mere talk. People are calling about caterpillar. Caterpillar is this. Caterpillar is that. Caterpillar is this. I can't tell you that I have template on what caterpillar have done or what he did not do. So I am saying about it based on what is on social media. So if you have issue with it, that's your business. And after that, my video, go and check the comment section. A lot of people have a different opinion. Some say, Kai report. Don't you know this? Don't you know that? Some say, Kai report. Contact USB. I saw I read every comment. The one I can because there were too many. There are too many to go through once. You understand? So if I have time, I scan through and all that. But that does not mean that I am dragging any position or trying to be what I'm not. Don't get it twisted. I know what I'm doing. And in case if you don't know, Biafran issue is something that every sensible people need to will be very, very careful. It's something that has to do with people's life, people's blood, both past, present, and even future. Do you understand? So it's not about, you cannot just expect me to start whining my mouth. No. That means I'm crazy. I have to say what I know. That this caterpillar that is in the name, is it the old or new? If you actually ask me, okay, choose for us, that is a different thing. They have not asked me to choose anything. So you expect me to come and say, hey, Biafrans, today after our executive meeting, we come out, we decided to do this. This is our resolution. This is from meeting from our caucus members. We discussed that. You expect them to come and give press release on issue about USB. That I'm not in the government, I'm a Biafran supporting USB. That does not mean that I am in position to start dictating what USB will do. I'm not explaining this to you, but for people who may want to know what the story is all about, pay attention. Yes, I was shocked. I was shocked. That's just a fact. And I made it clear that I was shocked. Jesse, I see you. Get ready, one more. Yes. Okay. That is the mistake. That is the mistake that you guys are making. That is a mistake. You called me a media person of USB terrorist group and all that. I am not USB media, but like government media. I am an independent media. USB. Of course, USB. It is not hidden. Because USB is the template that PM followed. How can I say that I love PM? And at the same time, I will be against what PM established. USB is not about you, Lasuba. It's not about me. USB is the template that PM followed. You that work under PM, very close. You are in. You are a member. I am not. You get the point? You don't even know the template, but I do. That means you should not talk when I'm talking. That simply means you shouldn't talk when I'm talking. You are in a meeting with PM. I have not been in a meeting with PM ever in my life. You are there. You discussed. You come out. You are there. Everything. I am not. I have never been. But I from outside, I was able to know. In fact, I am able to know what PM wants, the template, and that is what USB followed. Declared independence. That made every Biafran to vote in one voice that Biafran should be declared. And you are here trying to tell me that is a mistake. So now I'm not supporting terrorism. I don't blame you because you actually think that the job of your kindred from Fulani, you think that everybody is like you guys. No. But I don't blame you. You are very crazy. Listen. Oh, wait. Please, I don't know if you can hear what he's saying, who are you guys working for? Make more. Musa, Make more said, who are you working for? What are you guys doing with all the fundraising you have been collecting? If you, the problem is that if I ask you to answer, to come now and let us talk about it, you won't. Make more or making more, whatever you call yourself. Can you come here? Let us talk about it. You won't come, so I will be able to know your stand and answer some questions. Okay? You will not. You would. There's no way you will come. So if you're a man or a woman, because I don't know who you are, indicate. I take it. I take it. No course, Bona. Okay. There's a part. Let me see. Wait, just a moment.
I want to ask Sky Television why this news is a joke. It sounds like a joke. Do you mean that the caterpillar? How was he? I don't understand you.
You can't understand me because I'm not stupid like you.
Commander, are you surprised?
Very, very much surprised. And I will tell you why I was surprised. I was surprised because when the news, you guys brought out that news, that caterpillar went to Enugu to do one or two things. You guys said no, it wasn't caterpillar. That it was another person. Some say caterpillar, some say no, caterpillar, no, yes, caterpillar. And at the end of everything, what did you guys say? You come out and begin to, oh, it's no more caterpillar. Oh, go to force inside the caterpillar. Oh, go to force inside caterpillar. Then I was like, no, there's nothing like caterpillar until that news that Ugo brought out and all that. I said, okay, fair enough, whatever, because I'm not an insider. I am kind of skeptical about the name caterpillar simply because you guys, you and Sia, said a lot of things about caterpillar. Not because I have evidence against caterpillar. So if what they said about caterpillar is true, then of course I will say, why? What is going on? But maybe what they said about caterpillar is because, like I told you, I don't know. So you cannot blame me. When you people say that caterpillar is this, caterpillar is that, even some people in USB today are saying the same thing in line with what you guys said. That caterpillar is this, caterpillar is that, caterpillar is this. Not from Kai report. My own is to present it the way it is, not to favor anybody. You get the point? Not to favor anybody, but to make sure that people understand everything. Legend.
Are you trying to tell us that caterpillar is a criminal? Are you coming to
there's no free food then? Are you trying? You actually think that everything is a one night stand? You think everything is short time to you? Everything is short time. You must be joking. You must be a joker. How can you? Are you trying to tell us caterpillar is a criminal? Am I with you in the cabinet that knows what caterpillar did or not? I don't know who is caterpillar, and I don't bother to know. My own is that so far a lot of people, both those in Ogekere, in the Fall Back Republic, in Fall Deep Republic, and even in USB, as pointing finger at name caterpillar. Of course, I have to pause. Sorry, the noise is too much. Let me just a moment. I'll be right back. The noise is too much. It's too much. Just a moment. All right. So I cannot, come out and start claiming that I know Caterpillar when I don't know Caterpillar. I don't know him. Do you understand? I don't know him. So judging him based on what some of you said, maybe I will be wrong. But for everybody to point finger at Caterpillar, that is why I have to pause and ask that question. Is it this Caterpillar that we used to hear about or not? You, Lasuba, have the final say. And come to think of it, what you yourself have done in the movement and what you guys claim that Caterpillar have done, which like I said, I don't know. I cannot say yes or no because I don't know. Which of them is more bad or more dangerous? Do you know that DNA is the way it is today because of you? You are one of the instruments that they use to do what they do. And if I begin to talk about DNA, it may trigger a lot of things. That's why I say I don't want to talk about it. And I stand by that. So, short time woman, learn how to talk. Short time. Everything is not short time, okay? Now, let's all hear from Obieze. Pay attention, because you get why. Listen. Na mama ha interim. Really? Obieze o nege kwenti. Obieze o ya ama m na voice gị nege ntị. Na mma we pronounce ya tuzo pronounce ya. Ka mmeghe na ndị mmadụ aya. Okay, I am trying to cover the appointment. That something that COS put out there in the public. In the public. You think that she have not done her work? She have not done her assignment before doing that? Now, I asked 2 questions in that video. 1, Caterpillar. 2, the Fulani name. Not Fulani, Hausa name. Which Biafrans have actually put some answers on my comment section about these 2 questions. Because I asked that and said, please, if you know, let us know. And they have let us know. So it's not as if I asked something and everybody was like, you must be a joker. I'm not here to, because if you join me when I started, I said that Biafra issue is the issue with blood, human blood. Do you understand? Human blood. Whether you like it or not. Whatever you do or whatever you say, you need to cross-examine it very, very well. Check it very, very, very well. So that you will not start saying something out of context. I understand that some people have a way of bringing some news and all that, a way of reacting on issues like that. Everybody have their own way. So don't expect me to start by claiming, Caterpillar by 77 people, very 77. Not that we don't hear the news, not that we don't hear something like that, but that is not evidently based. It is not evidently based, and therefore we cannot just capitalize on that and say, okay, because let's assume now Mr. A called me on phone and I said, okay, Caterpillar did this and did that. Even if you said that to my hearing, I cannot present it as if I am a witness to that. Because of the issue, Biafra. You need to be careful because sometimes you may say yes today, and that yes may lead to something dangerous. You may say no, it may lead to something dangerous. That is always good. It is always good for you to know what you are following. So I am supporting USB. I have every right to know. I have every right to know what I'm supporting. To some of you that may say, but don't talk about it, don't talk about it. I have every right to know. That is just the truth, unless you want to lie to yourself. Do you understand? It's not about. It's not about. I don't want to do something for people to start, to love and no. I don't think it's worth doing. I don't think it's worth doing. Let's continue. He said, "It's me, Babida. It's me, Babida, and I'm watching all of you. This is my first time of hearing the name Babida, and whoever you are, because you can't come to my platform and threaten me. As you are watching all of us, God of creation is watching you. If you plan any evil for me, the evil will get to you. That is just a fact, because I don't even know who you are. This is the first time of hearing your name. Maybe you think you are very popular, that the whole world know you. I don't know you, my dear. So you cannot come to my platform and start telling me that it's me, Babida, whatever you call your name. I don't know who you are. So if you think that you are waiting and planning evil, because what you guys are good at is recruiting people. After buying people, then you label it as someone. I am not for you. I'm not your food. I am not your food. Okay? Why? Because I'm not looking for anybody to buy. My hands are clean. My hands are very, very clean. Okay? So I am watching all of you. As you are watching all of us, God of creation, God of Biafra, God of Igbo land is watching you. It doesn't matter your nickname. It doesn't matter who you are. As long as you are walking on the soil of our land, where I come from, and you are marching on that land and claiming that you are watching me and watching all of us for what I want to cook, what you are cooking in your mind. That thing you are cooking, you are going to feed. You are going to feed on it. Just believe it or not. I'm not saying you should not keep on buying whatever you're buying or do whatever you want to do. Plan whatever you want to plan. It's up to you. But as long as my hands are sparkling clean, you are watching yourself. You are planning against yourself. You are targeting yourself. Believe it or not. And so shall it be. Every genuine person, genuine Biafrans, that you are watching and planning and not saying negative things against, you will step on that trap, whether you like it or not. You are here. I just told you. You asked me a question. The fundraising that deleted, what are they using it for? I asked you this. I cannot be responding to you on comment alone. Do you mind to add your voice to back up your comment? Let me just send you link. You don't want. You don't want. Let me send you a link. You come here and tell us I'm not good at kicking people out. They say you are calling yourself bastard. Like I said, if you are one of those planning evil to somebody, for you to live long, stay away from it. Stay away from it. I'm not COS. I am not in the cabinet. I am not organizing fundraising. Do you understand? You are the one. You are the one doing that. Just a moment. I have decided not to block people easily. So if you expect me to block you, I'm not going to block you. But one thing I want you to go with is this: before you get yourself out here. Before you get yourself out from here, I'm not organizing fundraising for anybody. I am not leading any group. If you don't believe in USB declared, who are you? I'm asking you, who are you? if you don't believe in USB declared, what are you doing around this area? What brought you here actually? I am not here. You know, if you are fallback, you go to Ogegere. He is the president of fallback. If you are one of those who said that you want to CRC, you go to Imam Adabu. He is the president. Coming to my platform to commit nonsense, you are attracting costs on yourself. Why? Ejim go for Jidego. Ejim go for Jidego. You know what are the point? You can you guys are good at threatening people because easy than a pump passion. I go to the world will go through you. Chekweni is not matter cable. Okay? Che is not matter cable. And issue of bastard. Oh, bastard, na makare bastard. So you know you are bastard, and that is what bastard you shall remain. Armstrong, I see you. Asatina, Nelson Mark, Anthony Godwin. I greet all of you. Let's hear. So, always title of video so that we know when you talk, when you do the assignment, it will give you. I am not stupid. When I saw your video that you have started giving your video title. Wow, this is a new development in Lasuba's department. So you have now understand that you can title your video. I thought no, I can't code before. I can't code. So you are not titling your video because the people that contract you must have advised you that they want you to be putting title so that they can easily locate the job that you claim you have done, so that they know how you do it well. So we will be expecting you now to put sometime kind report, you know, Kelela, and another Rose, one on the is now. Oh, kind report to Kelela Rose, bondage, indeed, now photo easily. But the truth remains this. Concern. I'm an independent broadcaster, and I am speaking the truth for people to know that need free food. Yes, in the Frenchmen are like well. I ended from Sudan, Buria Patani Europe, French, and I go to Ghana. In Amoka termites. In Amoka termites, I have 5 children, 5 different men. If you have never denied. You have never denied that claim. Remember now, one more. Look at how foolish this man is.
Secretary, I don't know. The United States of Biafra government has appointed General Caterpillar.
All these things you are talking, Madam Lasuba, you are actually a fool. But you don't understand. I say I have been in these struggles since 2017. Only Mas Namodekano knows me. They say you just started 2000. I have been in the following Mas Namodekano since 2012. I have been in the following Mas Namodekano since 2012. If I don't want to name you know, you do know who I am. You do know who I am. I am this. Oh, you are a human being, number one. And like I said, there's some life. Oh, life is supposed to be. I have never for once attacked the Chukubo. Guys, check on my video. I don't talk. That's why when I say I don't talk about, because it is not on me to talk about them. But from time to time, and I follow the guru. You can't even say anything. And if you don't, you go watch everybody. Oh, you know, a goosebump now make my walk. You walk. All of the kids are gave in our fast yoga. People should stop this nonsense. You are doing something that requires very careful life. I'm just assuming that you are. Maybe you are not. Maybe it could be that you are just one of those. claiming something. I don't care, to be honest with you. But I want you to understand this. Before you point finger at anybody, make sure that you actually know, have evidence against that person. Did I come here now attacking any security? Both in the one with okay, the one with I don't do that. I'm being careful. Not because I don't have mouth to talk. I can come here and begin to create stories that will generate a lot of traffic here. Never not money here now jump up at that. It is very easy to do. Very, very easy. All the issue of this social media. Some people said that I have seen some people that have you have a lot of followers, but when you upload video, you don't have. Some say that you guys, if you I don't want to go there, it's just laughable. So speaking of what you are, people like you, speaking of what you think you are and all that nonsense you are, you cannot just come out here and begin to point finger at somebody and begin to claim what you don't know about. You have been here since 2017. I have been following Masoka since 2012. How about that? So when I get those supposed to get 1 year. 2017 in Kenya. 2017 in Kenya, just how many days ago? If you're in a banana, Machina woman, it's equal and I will run away. Right? Learn how to live a decent life. Please, it's very, very important. Very, very, very important. Some of you don't know that as somebody who is preaching, you're a pastor, you don't even talk, you don't need to talk anyhow. Because in a Google state nabata. In a Google nabata. I can't come out. No fucking Ginaga. Manuna Maro. If for somebody in a machado nada, Google Slen Machagadion. Anyway, let's continue.
They have appointed her General Caterpillar. Appointed General Caterpillar as the new Internal Defense Secretary after that. That's the interim defense secretary, like for meantime.
For meantime, which I made it clear, and Lasuba think that is funny. It is funny. Anyway, there's something she said here that I want to focus on.
You see it as a normal thing, and then on your nation. And all that we could not faceless man.
Now we could not faceless man. Monage could be able to naga faceless man. And come to think of it, is it not faceless? Is it good enough? Because why she said it? Because she said, how can COS appoint somebody that we get to? How can she appoint? How can that she appoint somebody that book caterpillar? Okay, for how useless this woman. All the anger in all this while. Must angel tell you. So why is it a problem to you? Why is it a problem to you? So now Caterpillar should come and tell you his name, his real name. Because you are good, you are one of those doing point and kill to the pastors. Many pastors don't even know that this woman is their problem, one of their problems. Must you know everything? Is it your job to know? It's not your job. It shouldn't bother you whatsoever. But from time to time, you want to talk.
You call it faceless man, but your criminal madam, they recruit faceless people. Your USB nation, USB, humanitarian terrorist invasion.
Okay, let me just remind you this because I know you may not understand what you have said before. Let me remind you this. Just hear what you said here in the past. Go.
Was never in this world again.
No, start again.
29. It was never in this world again. As soon as I declare the installation of Biafra. Never in this world again. As soon as I stop Biafra again. Never. Nando again Kelly. No more restoration of Biafra. Never. God go late. Oh, see me be late. Uno man abato bien asi. Nena monitor.
Let me. This our brother is still commenting. Make him more. Obonibe pastor. I respect pastors, not because of anything. If Obonibe, one of the pastors, I don't care where you are, where is your parish, okay? Because I know at last, you are still protecting land. If I thought you are protecting, I'm just saying, give you benefit of doubt. So I want you here to mention one thing that you notice from me, okay? Or other broadcasters, because in our watch, everybody, right? That you don't like, that makes you think that in our watch, in our watch, based on types of what? Do you know what PM stands for? Do you know what PM stands for and what PM have done? The template of PM. Have you asked yourself what was the plan? And out of those plans, which of them who is now following the plan? These are things that I expect from people like you. But people don't pay attention to those things. It baffles me, to be honest with you. So if at all you are a pastor, like you said, and you have maybe parish and all that, why don't you just come here maybe and tell us your problem? I'm not saying you should come through video call. You can't. Or if you this gonna this people like this one edge. Oji number send the link hack would contact you track that story. Nah, it's not about. I'm not interested in knowing you one-on-one. I'm not here for that. If you don't do say, oh, I must see you. I must. A man actually, that means I'm not pure. Do you understand? Because I don't need it. I'm not here for that. Anyway, nege Lasuba ntị. Onye na-agwa gị na US Richard na ndị USB na-ekwu ebe a. Na-ekwe video ya here. Oh, bọkwa m akwụ. Nege ekwentị. Just pay attention. 29. Was never in this world again. As I declare the installation of Biafra. Never in this world again. As they had to stop Biafra again. Never in this world. Okay. Never. Nando gen kele. Ono chichicha no more. Restoration of Biafra. Emegoye. Never. God go late. Oh, see me be late. Before you will sue me, before you will be to see me, before you will be to see me, you see me be late. Before you will be to see me, gonna work a car. Now no sue give me or say can reverse all the sense. Okay. I'm monitor zoo. Anyone come on a fajibia. Now we can declare Biafra before that 2nd of December. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? But I want to follow you. I never on a cook. I never know queer or not just and I only a point. Galongo that now chief of staff now Biafran cabinet deciding declare let's start Biafra 29th of December. 29th of November. Yes, November. They declare the Biafra again. Ogen Kele Nandu Tribiye a plan Chani Adobe. Now, Ojo to go to Trafford. Ojo to go to China. Ogai gas. Like going up on a street. I told you, short time woman. Just short time woman. Everything she's doing is based on short time. Short time. She's inconsistent. And one day short time. Why you told for your puberty age, your adolescent age, everything upon a street. If Bijan to do that, doesn't remember the spell again, man. He said, Mazi Kelena. I can't report again on Kia. I was certain of Kelena. Kelena on the banner. Is Kelena here? This milkman is Soludo's working wine. Son, check out the profile. Wait you. Okay. I'll talk with Naga. Like I said, I don't want to talk about pastor. I always have a respect for you. You understand? Because I did this. But if don't use that to start threatening lives and all that. You are hurting yourself. Especially Yaki Adocha. So can I happen easy on Gagakeda Balefiosa? So you might get me like you can reach out to me. I put my number on social media for a reason. Not because I want to gather news. There are many things to talk about. If I decide not to talk about the African, I have many things to do. If I get take about time, we can suffer local. That's just a fact. But we have to do what we have to do to be who we are. Not for anybody, but to set the record straight. And if you have been clapping for PM and saying PM, all of a sudden, after Zoe guys in the PM. Everybody must not like me. I keep on telling you that. But I have to be myself. Because what you're talking about is something that's blood related. If you know, you know. Let's continue.
No 2nd of December, Finland government serve from court. But I made this kind of thing in their country.
If I would before you call you, okay, now I told you I'm going short time. Once you live like that, I'll take it a very strong man of God to liberate you. And this should be a lesson to every young girl watching. I'm going to need a beef, madam. She on at 4 p.m. He take contest, he feel paint on blue sponge in this little wig. Now I'm going to the street. Which again, yeah, I'm a sapo. I'm not about to go na nuku. I'm not going to na nuku. So I'm not brand. Oh, we got about to get a brand. We got Bobago. We got Bobago nuku. So which again, yeah, short time woman is short time woman. No matter if you like. Can report in the cook. Upon that, if you know what to cook, Tayana, chicken, dimmer, all of you know, or someone on the one. Or no, no, short time. If care is not taken, or transform the thing to, or pass or translate the thing to her children, or transfer it to the children, with for weto. Sometimes and if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Why they play out here? They can't last one place. No. Always noisy. Always shouting. Engage a move on a club. You must pay me, Or not, and I'm not gonna street, I'm a bottle. You must pay me, where's my money? Show me, hold my bag. Where's my bag? Where's my phone? Oh, you have you seen that? Need to go. Oh, you think why? Make it. Just pay attention. I don't have if we are right, you got man already. Oh, yeah, now
I no more. Or even that plan. Okay, killing a bam. Now all the criminal agents and all the saboteurs I from on Finland that time now be with microphone. Some of them we are agents of darkness. So I see on I'm even my one on John join the one money this year. Hey, in the podi I know the same thing. Banabo no hey. No, that's an opening wine, and you ban a booze in the wine.
I've been there, okay. No,
you join the wine, you be the booze on a matter of come with your honor one to one boo. Hey, even book one to one boon, the quine, you know, man on two one book on pempe even well. Camado, hey, as you could more cuckoo. Maka ihe nkọrọ mmadụ ka m na-akọ onwe m. Iche na-aga na ndị mmadụ kwụ mmanụ ndụ ụtụ. Unu fụ plan ndị a mere na 2nd of December. Hell, ekporobe n'ọkpa complete. So, Biafran government, Obato Obie, have achieved one thing. It declared Biafra, the installation of Biafra, at 29th of November. Eba kunu doku this man idiot akule eba kunu ya mother tinanda with a plan. Serious plan, sealed plan. Now, I will a warrior concrete. Search up the plan, so a stamp. Since I was in Finland, the Kayamako is me. I never share your chill.
Why, yeah.
I need a search up. The one now, Mbamba, Finland, and I be declared Biafra. Get on table, then I just, I don't couldn't wait to a moon, and the Paramas you, Mandolo Nanya, oh, one then work as a map was when he is more happy of Abuja, which I face in the Fulani, only in the worse than Fulani. The worst than Fulani is which this idiot type of Logan Kenny. Fulani Kayama. Only out the worst to Fulani. So now the worst to Fulani.
Now, it just so again. Ya wanna call this thing now. Ya wanna call this Nikita. Ya na Fulani. Ya na Fulani no get na. So now what I want to go here. Okay, this is the camera. I want to go back to them after this video. She went back to them. Back from that place. Because Oyena after one short time and I don't know for ebe. I don't know for ukwa de Rian. Fantastic Konandi na waka report to the queer. Up video your video. Now let's go back to this one. Now we again.
Without them, without picture, nobody knows these criminals. All these terrorists, but ever, nobody knows them. So you must get a time when you kill them.
Now, and you must know them before they become somebody, right? Before they go and year pass. Now you they give the validation. Life he be in a mega effect. In a walk, go na wapro on the opo ezigbo but you are ahead, you are head bending on that. You keep on doing that often. You want to prove a point. You want to prove a point. Again, what if you can even know before? What if you get now? Because on our drive an apple. On our drive an apple. There's no idiot. Go on, my idiot. Me that say is this. Me that say is now. They get went.
This part caught my attention. I won't lie, because of the name, because I know how I social be.
Obugo gone now. Obugo gone. In all, he will mark 5. No father. Obugo gone now. Chineke bụ ya plan Igbo gara odi na Sudan. Changes are 5 Igbo and Igbo na. Also Lasuba keji mara your identity through you just drop that after there na Igbo na for now. He drop ya ba. Maburu Lasuba. Na bad. One night stand.
Your mother recruited the terrorists gang group.
Oh, we terrorists carry go one. Now, you are not only a terrorist, you are actually giving birth to terrorists. By DNA, I'm just telling you, by DNA, starting from your own mother, Maggie, Mortal Goa, KB Lindy. It's not in a voice, this to tell you how long it could go straight. nkata nkịtị na-shout, your voice always on contest. Engage agbogbo na club. Mana na akpa egwu na club, voice na egwu na very very noisy. Very very noisy. Very very noisy. Very very noisy. You have to, you know, add volume to your voice. Okay, we can if you need. Even off goes that off that they go for self. Voice can noise. Oh, na why can isika. Why any man say be trained to work like that from childhood? He said drug him.
Is that caterpillar? That is the terrorist caterpillar who the buy. Only sin there to bag, commander there to bag.
Eko gonna the boo and ego. Go and equal the code my radical save. I go outside and come. No, it's not that now I've said that I don't want to analyze anything. I cannot analyze anything about the African Liberation Army, anything as such. It's not on my dictionary for many reasons. If not, on my way I can maybe side if you could say, if you na result to Potania. Man, I don't blame you really. I blame on the suppose they might questioning tifa. Kitchen in the factory water. You want Biafra. Template is there. Biafra actually declare. A map that they could declare anything. No, what was it? I just played your video. Ebi neku na man declare we again or not possible. Likely so, which is true. Then it's not only this one. It took one as in the past. In fact, I can put it here before we go forward. It took because people don't know how this woman can lie. She's a well certified liar. Wait, watch this. Watch the video. Watch the video.
Kai television, let me tell you something.
No. Start again. Just watch.
Oh, what if I need dress eba? Kai television, let me tell you something. Ezenagu on Ezenagu tinyere na group. Aka mwa wonye kwuru no. And am wonye kwuputara ya no. Owu na me kwuputa ya onwe ya amu ya no. Because adi me eji nzuzo. Ije niile na ada open. Kai television. On Ezenagu eti na their group can run na the group.
Don't worry, listen.
They want to bring me down.
More life a bit of hell.
And I need na gwage. On Ezenagu say tiri mo trap. Eno ya emamgbe mkpọrọ uwe anyanwụ na my platform. Eno ya mgbe mkpọrọ uwe anyanwụ. They want to set me up by itinye na that group. You call the
wire to deceive Biafrans. If I not give them all those things, we don't want to talk about it because na if you kakunozo ejo kama magebe take man. O if I get pressure again. Mama gave up taking mad at all. But we did not know that. Now, cobweb cooking is too much. Obuka. When you call the wire, just to make it look like you're a tough woman, you can call the holy wire and confront and all that because you have already paused that bubble. You have made it known. You have made it known that people actually. We know already that you have a contact with Iwaya and the rest of them. For Iwaya or Hanese people to call you then. Somebody said, Harry Festa, this man, guy, you boy and Kakwa. Who is this termite again? Who is this one? Harry. Shame on a corrible support. You are the real shameful woman here now. We shame of the deba carry go. Okay, shame was an you are okay, can't you must take about shame. This woman called the wire just to deceive people, just to make it look like that she just, she rejected Ohanese and nothing happened. No, she's here telling us that she not even joined them, that she rejected it, she declined that request. Just pay attention.
Group on our way to your mother, a valid dear before you banye. Her request go come better. No more according to a valid will banye. And the hands Namua done them and they get a valid here. Then when we keep me for email. And I near now got him.
Now, they said she's trying to tell you they are sending their link. He joined at the group, that group. When she received that link to follow to join the group, like I normally share my own link here. Now, say try Kai, don't they throw sand near Fulani? Try Kai don't they throw sand near Fulani? I want to be fair and Kaneku. China. I don't they throw sand near Fulani. Please put it correct. Let me understand what they're talking about. They sent link to this woman to follow them in that group. And she said she declined that request. Mazika, are you understanding Lasuba here? Yes, of course. You understand? She declined. She declined that request. She did not accept. As a good Biafra, you understand? I ought to happen is never went.
The joy coming, and I'm a coma zombies. I didn't validate. I just exit Ozubo. Magana one number, a plan of our own number, and that group. Higher screenshot, you Ozubo. Hey, screenshot, one ya. Wo putazienya. Namu na kojofa ne kujofa. Kwade namu amelenka amenka. And whenever you about me.
That is not true. That is not true. I will tell you how, I will show you how she joined. I will play that original voice. That her broadcast when she made it known to Biafrans. There was such connection. Then you hear what she said and compare with what she's saying now. That's why you listen to what she's saying now is very, very important, so that you'll be able to connect it. I told you one in the short time. Oh, first about they get
a group. In an television. Oh, good. Because they be from Duku. They all politicians. Yeah, I think he belong on. Maramuwa di July June. I don't want to belong with them. I don't mean no ever fan of my house. I don't need their money. I don't have money. Kai television in an ifada money. About me, it made me accept at all. I just quit the group immediately. Because I won't accept banye high screenshot. Oh, what if friend high never ask me okay, be neku or queen on a group. So you know with them, there's a neku, Kazi neku. And the way back could be back 100 billion.
If on a check up and they have validated, she did not accept the link. In our time, I can achieve like that. She did not accept the link, meaning that she did not join the group. Then the question is, if you did not join the group, how did you know? How did you know you not at the group? Now you joined on the group here, because I can't report. I don't even know when she made this video, but listen.
Because I'm not at their group. Here to go to group, Jenake Banje, may go to Katinegi. May they go to Yao, make it not Katinegi.
Of course, Doreen, she's there now. Also, blessed Yamara, my brother. Thank you so much. She's there now. Also said, Biafrans are wiser than her imagination. She's just lying to herself. She's just lying to herself. But on the one mile, so that you get to know what this woman is made of. Liar. Have in mind that she did not join. When the link was sent to her, she did not validate it according to her word. Say, shut up, Lasuba. Enter the group. You said you saw Lizzie Kano in that group. Why can I get about? Let her finish. Liar. Nah, it's not idiot. Okay, one idiot yeah, compared with his own.
Make it not Guinea. And
I tell you, am I sabo? I'm not a saboteur. I'm not a sabo. Now, you have heard it all, right? Watch.
This girl call Lisa. Onye mwana tag yalamia.
Yeah, they get.
Because now, if you about a kwoku, it's on attack Nigerian government. This is the idiot to call Lisa to attack anybody. Okay. So now government. All one Nigeria. Before one Nigeria would drink an of our leader Mazen Nadikan. Double agent. Call. A double agent, this idiot on the flare back, call Lisa. Woman and and body me back and normal identity of this.
Now, listen, yeah, I what if you pass and then man, I get screenshots, yeah. Man, I'm going to know how to be imagine what exactly were you what exactly were you doing with that? What were you doing with that with your Hanese? What exactly is that thing? You were with Ohanes and Dimo. What was that? What was that? I want to know. What exactly? You said that you did not join the group. Ohanese want to screenshot you. They want to. You are afraid they will screenshot you. Man, I'm gonna know Ohanese name. You cannot just tell me that because you want. The video that we played before now, she was trying to make it look like I was on my own. No, all of a sudden, my phone rang and I checked. Ohanese called me. Ohanese is calling me. I said hello. That's okay. Follow this link and join our group. And I declined. Meaning that nobody can find them. Guinea can find them to the extent of them requesting you to follow to join the group because they must have tested you. And probably maybe you were contemplating, because I know, for you to nurse in mind, for you to start nursing in mind that we get screenshot to come on, we got TPM outside, meaning that you did not, if you did not work with them at that time, like this, actually you work with them and you will try a hand, meaning that you did not go in or you stop working with them because you are afraid of your picture, maybe they will expose you, something like that. Not because you don't see, not because you see their calling or their job as something not worth doing, like something that you don't want to get yourself into. You don't want to get involved. I don't know if I follow what I'm saying. So meaning that if I thought you reject anything, you rejected it because you are afraid of his position that may follow it, not because you don't see it something. You don't see it as something that doesn't worth it. You don't need to stay yourself. Do you understand it? Now, again, pay attention.
Lady. Even in this girl call Lisa. Onye mwana tag yalamia. Because now, if you about a kwoku, it's on attack Nigerian government. This is the idiot to call this and attack anybody. So now government. All one Nigeria. Before one Nigeria would drink an of our leader Mazen Nadikan. Double agent. Call. A double agent, this idiot on the flare back, call Lisa. Women and Ohanese and the body me back and normal identity of this lady. Even in Ohanese, even in this idiot, Ohanese and they will pay her for that.
Okay.
Ohanese and they will begged me na fa ya akwụ m ụgwọ ka m join anya mewe ọbata obi attack nsira gịnị ka m join na this nonsense thing I for here ka m join anya ka fa kwụọ m ụgwọ mụ ma afụgodu na ọ na-eriju ahụọ so awụrụ ọgwụ ole
okay
iwe baze na that platform ahụ emepere ha tinyere m ọnọdụ
nke a bụkwa m ọkwụrụ iwe baze na that platform a tinyere yawa na ọ nọkwa there you choke right okay ịmata na ọ bụrụ this hustler aghọtara ife a na-akọ iche na gị na social media ka iji egwu ego ọkụ na afịa na but ka report na na-esendeghị the link decline ọya but iwe bazie na that link wee fụ na ọnọkwa de oyoshi ifu gị na na-ege ntị
mgbudi si ịdị ọta ọnụ fụrụ hie na ọnwụ na m kwetere enyere m na m akwụmụgwọ tọn same against Simon na ihe ọ na-eme ọnwụ ndị ọha na eze chọrọ ka o mee atak ka ọ na-eme atak anybody ọnwụ na unu fụrụ emere atak by this lady ọha na eze ndị Igbo send ha because them
then we don't catch them. Honestly, I know why I'm talking about this woman on surface. Just I'm agawa deep. Although no shame, she don't have any shame. If you go to Osu Mami, I will also here now. Go to Mami and everything. My parents go from henceforth. Nobody restriction because I warned you. In a video, simple. Don't use my mother. A catch of Jaco Yeba. I me player here. Manegacha, Igachije. If Oyechineke Bogok. I know I had Chineke Bogok. I want again, idi useless. Jikola can get Tom Prent, I put it useless. Again.
Pay her for that. Then pay her for that. Why me just wasting my time? Instead of we meet here. Come on now, but join that together. They buying with the mouth to stop and speak out. Can I fight?
I go to Arabia.
Umunnem kenele no our chief of staff. Ka epuzie obi atoka m na oge la enwa wo mundi bonta and who nature upon our chief of staff na be live today by 7 o'clock Biafran time.
Commander of chief of the okay na fear na. I can make a chief of staff. Room age. In our other thing, I can make it. I can on the now. Man, I go on do to now. Each and every just of we make short time image. Or you give name because it can name ya. It can name
ya. Kenele no our chief of staff. Ka epuzie obi atoka m na oge la enwa wo mundi bonta and who nature upon our chief of staff na be live today by 7 o'clock Biafran time.
Okay.
I am Guy get to go to no small vibration, you know. And
pursuant of the issues and principles recited above, do hereby solemnly proclaim that the territory and region under the 40 confederating states of Biafra, together we have continental shelf and territorial waters, shall
vibrate,
regain her independence and act as an independent sovereign state with the name and title of the United States of Biafra.
Yes.
What again now? Oh, yeah, na be gwa give na if you game again akwari ezibida. Let's continue from here.
argument you have done about this name in the past. So it is not official, unless if the caterpillar you're talking about is different from the caterpillar they used to tell us. Okay? So, General Chukwese, as the
General Chukwese. This is General Chukwese, one another terrorist. Only seen there who would see Chukwese.
Everybody, but this idiot of terrorist. Everybody, but the terrorist. Iche gizeni gwana na ona adịghị ka ịma oge mmadụ pere mpe ị ga wetachi ajụ ụpọ ị na efekọsa asị gị kpọọ human being gị kpọọ mmadụ iweta ịpịa ya na floor pịa ọ dị na rectangular form ọ dịdatị na rectangular form iwe scissors cut ya second ịkọtụ ya second then iwere ife dịka pen ọ ihe na wee metụ ya ko na onye gị shape ọnụ ịma bụ ife a dịka cartoon a na-eme na village oge afọ inenecha ọnụ disi woman odoge adat na ọma ụmụ Igbo na maka ịmara ka ọ akọ n'uche ka iji ka ezigbo agwa owuwe nothing mana na-esi gị ka ebe a ga-ebido ọ na-aka ma onye chekwana echi ime ime ya na-asị gị metụ onye dị ime yi maka ọnụnụ ọbọkwasọ maka ọnụnụ maka ma ịma onwe ị ga-amụta sef nsogbu na ya to be honest with you.
This is General Gas, not General Chukwese. Only is in there, Bubago.
as a first
Ebube agwọ bụ ndị isi one ka ebube agwọ bụ katapilo isi ndị ebube agwọ ka edora ga oke isofaya onye isi ndị ebube agwọ anybody na-ekwetara n'ife ị na-eme onye isi ndị ebube agwọ ga-efu onye ọjọọ bụ onye ọjọọ. No matter what you do, everything ebube agwọ terrorist ọmana gị na ndị na-akwụ ebube agwọ ụgwọ ka ị na-akpọ ha bịa ka gị na fa na-akpa ebube agụ recruiters ndị na-recruit ebube agụ gị na fa dị na mma. You talk of Soludo gị na Soludo bụ 5 and 6 nke ikpeazụ a ọ ndị na-egezi ntị na ya calling ndị na-akpọsi na to recruit more soldiers or more security according to you to fight. I don't understand. Ebube agụ ndị isi ndị ebube agụ onye isi ndị ebube ifo ịnọkwu ebe a na akwụrụ ebe oge pụta ị na-ekwu igwepụta ụzọ ịkpọcha igwepụta ụzọ ịkpọ engine makeup ịkwụcha these names that time ịkpọcha those names ịkpọcha this name that time mana ịbịazi ebe a na-adịzi kedu afa caterpillar. Even now, I want to make a deep, but I just want to mention this part only. Okay, this is just okay. Oh yeah, okay, guys, no, big motor na kia dodge. Or make sense? Don't make any sense. There's no sense in that. But okay, like you just take me serious. I know about that. Never again. You jaw point and kill. Point and kill.
defense, general kill and bury. As the second.
As in wife.
General Ogbuefi.
Yes, so I see you, my brother. Benny, I greet you.
Imaginez pouvoir créer n'importe quoi, rien qu'en y pensant.
Amaka, I greet you.
General Eji
Fire.
as the fourth.
Fire, welcome.
General Jerry as the fifth. That fifth defense.
Ogwejo 4.
Igwe as the sixth defense. General Dotti as the seventh defense. General Rabbi.
Okay, no problem, my brother.
Commander.
Thank you.
Labai, General Labai.
Of course, now, Labai, that General Labai, I got Bosegi. Okay, in the according to you, General Labai. Okay, Bosegi now, and the nobody. If what language, okay, hey, Rabbi, Rabbi, General Rabbi, now, If you check her body language, you know, although I don't need regret Oyenka, or Oyenka, Oka would do when I never character Oyenka. And I want that kind of thing. Or pause to come to down. But guess what? Guess what? Few weeks from now, this rabbi, no, the terrorists, oh, your job. She after the declaration of after the redeclaration of Biafra, this woman have not points on. She have not run any program on her own without following the Kukunaya. Like open your camera, do a fresh program on what embargo is doing or what the Nigerian army and the rest of them are doing. No. That one is haram. She will never ever do anything like that. Copy. Or she will sit turn around and tell you that no ya boy ara na azu nwa no ya kede me program. Can you me na magic me program? Ebo yoke omume no yo kuleku na no de bia. That is just a fact. In a bajagwa, agana ekwu ego ku ya nyeso. It is normal, it is natural. Negenti.
Because he can never do without this Elabai. He can never. Even in Elabai, if not, Elabai will be exposed.
Okay, for an open seven, I'm not betting seven, no gonna rabbi one day Muslim. That is who she is. Giving people bad name just to prove a point. But she's always pointless.
Of them.
As a line defense, this name also caught my attention. I will lie. You know, when I tell you that we are not here to harbor anything or try to pretend to be what we are not. Just understand it. I'm not here to attack anybody, but expose, the truth. So COS is here telling you the truth about the structure of BSP.
Which is true.
And the question people have raised in your eyeball, they were like, who is this person?
Mm-hmm.
So if you understand it,
please hit like button in case if you have not. Like the video.
Some people are kind of worried. People are asking questions. Who is this? You understand? So we want to know who is Adamu. Is it just a nickname?
No. That is nothing like a nickname. Adamu is not a nickname because Adamu with a surname. Adamu Bawa is a surname. The only person who will.
So Angel Makeup is name and surname. Okay, from the maybe. Angel Makeup is a name and surname. Okay? Anyway, them mother. Oye name mochena ada. Legend.
The college to it was all a visit to you. The name and the surname of that person is Adamu Bawa.
Okay.
And there Adamu Bawa when you kuna for the rest of Bosia.
Adele Francis. I see you.
Group with the most highest terrorist group. This will on 8 November.
Is it another now? Why? I'm not asking it because I want to pull your legs. I'm asking it because people are questioning reference.
Shut up.
When I one-on-one, you go set up that is just the fact. I didn't make why you that is just the fact. Shut up. I will respect you to the core. because we are going to need to go equal, and he get receive if he's supposed to receive. That is just the fact, because it will mental issue. And then and massage Oyara. Oh, you can to you
are questioning Biafrans.
Ben Chick, I see you. Greetings to you, my brother. Lasuba in Lasuba.
Now, let me ask by television. Those people now why can't they go to their fundraising and ask her this question?
Ezenagu, thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. Why if I Julia Bonafama? Ndị ike na-ajụ na comment section ebe na ngụpụta na the page is US. Agụpụta m ya just to put it out there. Ka ewe answer which Biafra have actually replied. Unlike you, in ajụ you always want things to be done the way you want it. Oh, you're taking on that. On the in a marriage get okay, na choosing my prophet and a prophetess. Why can different men no na prophet gibuzi no buzuke fake yo no kwambina na mefi na or gini na-eme o ji onye give fake prophet fake message and all that nene bi na ju ebe na
and the amụma niile ivulu mbacha niile wasị
ezi wife
because na amụma niile ivulu but nwere mgbe ivulu ma amụma na mma nọ na this place no
of course na
because nwere mgbe ivulu amụma ịsụ na mma nọ n'enu enigwe na mụ ya awụ onye ya awụ emekwa ebe nkara ịnọ kịta gbanyezie n'anya my condition ebe na amụma gị niile wasị na o nwere eziokwu
ọ mana condition ya jọrọ ezigbo tonjo she's not denying that na condition gị kpọrọ afọ na. I just choose this part, from the video that she did. I don't want to start playing other things that she said, where she talked about Kai Report. I just want to start from there because I know that I'm going to stretch it this way. Okay? Are you getting it now? Oma. Namma gi check na kwere gas again ki water. Namma ye mu ipole na igwere na ga abo mata tata gi na eze bia no. Oge afọ eboro gi da ebi no kwa dị mma mana na eze bi otu so tipe zo we gi na. Because if you did the sharp, or if you name the short time, once they roll short time, and then I go from 1 month to another, not jump again. You may go gas, no get like one kana. I don't need to ask people in France. I will be just the way you talk, the way your voice is always on contest. You go good one, Pochalia. Okundi the narrow short time jabo. Or I kiji, or I'm a tipi giver. Negent.
And the amụma niile ivulu mbacha niile wasị because na amụma niile ivulu but nwere mgbe ivulu ma mma na mma nọ na this mess nọ na
ọ bụ ma gwa gị na mess na ọ bụ na Kai Report na-ekwu ka okay na afia na ụwọrọ mgbe iburu ya ma na ya gana na mess ya nọ kịta. So you actually need that advice. Ị na-achụcha mma ada ndị bụ na ndị egede na-aba eji egwu gị chandụ and o ji ife achịkọrọ ndị iti niile wụsa one side ndị iti niile iti mpataka ịma na ekwu iti ọ dịka na akpara ndị iti mpataka bụ level afa na-eme operate iti bọrịbọ ndị iti bọrịbọ iti mpataka tiri jajaja na-ege ntị
nwere mgbe ivulu amụma ịsụ nna mma nọ n'enu enigwe na mụ ya awụ onye ya awụ emekwa ebe nkara ịnọ kịta gbanyezie n'anya my condition
mana ichefu na nọ n'eko gbada aga n'eluigwe na ụlọ so ịchọta ịgacha n'eluigwe ifunu gị eke n'eluigwe ifunu gị eke python n'eluigwe ka ị na-aga n'eluigwe ga ịhapụrụ ọgwụ ị ga-anọ n'igbofe ife ọrụ igbofe ka isokozo imofia ka ị ga-anọ na this one achọrọ ịga n'eluigwe eke da akrọ n'eluigwe madam wala ida aga n'eluigwe ọrụ eluigwe ọbụla ị na-aga because ọ eke ọgba ka ịwụ ọgba adịgote owife mere ọgba ebe ị ga-anọ eke ọgba ka ịbụ na eke ị chọrọ igbu eke ọgba na gakwe n'eluigwe game gị n'eluigwe Now when I got so go wagon, I get it. I buy my money. We go back. If I can, if I suppose in the program, nowhere, hour, no as no one got no one got no one got jump, Gani, in other as a sound will our window. I walk in and the wedding getting with so in the such professor, I'm going to man, I will equal some of Mamma Pinamis. They gather again. It may come by actually again. Often again, we from that jet where we Mepelonos and the Kekeba. AK pass on the Bulamama, Pastor Bole Kamama. If you know that nigga again, it touch a one on one. Oh, India cable in all hour. Now, what if you're going to look at if you're going to be man, the will put a tag is about. Oh, I now bye. Oh, thank you so much. God bless you, please. You guys should back down from debunking her lies against DPM. USB and USB government. Or will you mind to debunk an Apache? We find it says so here. In my friends, you report that news about this new structure. Can work one thing. One about. I just want people to understand what we. I'm not saying that I'm doing what I'm doing because, you know, I want people to work and no. We are here to talk about what is happening on social media. Ebo karibu no maybe na CSA open the important platform who makia. What am my point now? Man, I do to know it in Pataka. Uchina told you he delivered the news on my platform. No. I did not ask USB government, no. You must remove Caterpillar. Or if you don't do that, I'll let me know. We are trying not, you know, we are not just debunking. We are setting the record straight. Because that is the truth. That is the truth. And not maybe create this story to make this look good. What are the points? I don't maybe create this story to make this look good. If I never see a program before where I will come live this hour. If we are here. Many people don't understand that we are not. I'm not saying what I'm saying because I want to promote A or promote B. Monday 20th. Daketa nan kata kabe pasugi will and wasn't on 11th of October. And I called that card. And I man to for don't be sitting now. Oh, if it here, my brother. I thank you so much for your support. You're always there and you're very, very encouraging. Kai, you are really funny. And she goes, my man is joking. Pastor Bole, Pastor Daketa, prophesies after a cover. No got heaven, no got candy. Wake up a so which means they come in the good even up fake you. Oh my Jana, you know, he will stay now. We don't get you a city that we and name in the movement. You get a came up a give him any bad able to play guy there. That's a while. Very evil woman being. And the annoying part is that she actually knows that what she's doing is wrong. Go after saying on coca kobuko again. You know if any get you in a conquer. Again.
Everyone I'm magani no one see. No one is yoku diano. It's Namunga will away great woman, the whole world, the one in the Yamoma can. Oh, but so you must the body great woman, Keta. In our why neighbor a great woman. Neighbor to why. In our egu walk banana ne rock was in a bamman. Wanza no ne rock on a walk on a rock. I bought green or how you guys kiss us no one has known. Osniana Bamman. You know that? So you matter what is that? I will be just like that. No, Kumaka, set Pulumana promo. Oh, and I'm on in an Opasa. What can I get as a plug of the other?
ị ga-ajụ oge na ndị Igbo mmadụ how many community na-asọpụrụ eke ọ ga-ekọ maka ịbụ how many community na ndị Igbo na-akpọrọ ezi ala ya eke ọ ga-ekọ maka ịbụ ịbụ ọzọ eke maka na oge oge kịta na ndị mmadụ buchegoro mkpọrọ n'aka na ndị ọbụla buche mkpọrọ n'aka na imeli na ibe eke apụta na na-ewere ajụ ọchịcha gị isi abụ onye ọbụla 2 by 2 mmadụ bụ kịta ọbụkwa just egwuregwu 2 by 2 original one nke eji osi kara aka wee mee ịpụta azụ na ibe eke ọgba tụkwasị gị na apịa gị oge onye na-apịa gị n'ọdụ ndị ka na-apịa gị n'etiti ndị ka na-akwụ gị n'isi o jezu oge ahụ ị mara na ebe isi kwụsịrị nọ bụ n'eke ọgba a na-prọfesọ azị gị n'ọgba na o wee awọ ga-ajọmpụ gafee n'ọgba gị a ọ pụta gị sọ ọnụ ebe a Chineke gozi gị azụ eke ị kwesịrị ịnapụtara ibe ekọwa na-ekwu maka sekuriti a na-aka ụda aka akụ ịma ha ọhịa ebe eke na-ebi na ọ bụrụ na ya na ọgba gị ị bịa n'ebe mmadụ na-abịa na-eme n'ibe eke ọgba na ime nka okoko na-ama ọdị eyi pantị
n'elu kacha elu nọ ife ịfụrụ mụ na Carolina Mbeze ya na-anaghị enye awụ na ihe efe anyị ka Chukwu ịbụ na anaghị na ahụ ngụnwa na onwe gosizi na ndị anọzi n'elu kacha elu na jeje na soshal midia kparị m ebe na amụma ga-awụ ọkụ na-asị ka ọwụ
thank God that which you rotere.
Onwekwa mgbe m ji si na nna be anyị ọnwụ na nsị na m amaghị onye ewu ọ dị iche awụ na m asị gị na mụ na gị na-abịa ekwu ọ dị iche mana ibe isi m na m maga ọfụma isi na m maga ọfụma sị gị na ama akpa gị ọfụma
because you know me very well. Okay, mama ọfụma buru gị amma. Amadị m na m buru gị amma o.
Yeah. So nna ndị a na-eje na mmadụ na-ejebe dibịa ma ahụ dịka ọnwụ na njebe dibịa kịta amara m dibịa ahụ ọfụma maka na ọ gbara m afọ m ewere mmadụ
ezigbote olugo
mba Carolina Mbeze kpọrọ m wee sị that na man of God ịmakwa na Carolina Mbeze wee onye kọnetiri data ekpere ahụ Carolina Mbeze si that na pastọ chọrọ ka m na ya na-abụ pụọ kwa otu ibe a si wee bido marakwa mara na bifo nkwete ya wụ ibe o tekwere time nwa ozugbo Carolina gwara anya ka m kwetere ama m ibe m na Carolina ji
na ifugonya gekwentị
na njem unu jere wee na-ekele Olisa bi n'igwe
na nke a bụ Obieze ọkwa ya anụda iti pataka iti bọrịbọ jamụrụ iti pataka iti bọrịbọ jamụ iti pataka ọ na-afịa afịa ọ na-ada ada na-ege ntị Obieze ọ sịkwa na ya na nwaanyị ụmụ anyị na-erikwe ncha n'ọnụ Obieze obi ashịrị si na ya na-aza Obieze obi ashịrị nwoke na-akwụ ashịrị ka nwaanyị ọ nọrọ ụtọ na-akọ nọnsensị takpụrụ eze na-akọ iberibe na-ege ntị ife okwuru ihe
jụrụnụ jenu lọtakwanụ ụda na-enweghị nsogbu ọbụla
nna m nke a kacha
ọya bụgodi isi ahụ gbawa ogwu bikọs ọ dịghị izi ndị mmadụ ike filie na ọ dị izi ọ dịkwaghị izi
ọ na-ekwu ka papa rolo na-ekwu ka awọ mmiri ka ọ n'ọnụ
efe plen fepụ ihe ọ na-efepụ fedakwa ihe ọ na-efeda ọ na-amapụ ụfọdụ obi fọdụ anaghị ala gị ya sef dat mana anyị na-enye Olisa bi n'igwe ekele
ma ahụrụ m nwa na-alaike ịba flight
ị na-aba flight eke na-aba flight ị hapụrụ ịkpọ akpọ ị ga-agbọ na ana na-eme na-aba flight na-abụrụ mma na anaghị ala akụ ịba flight ị hapụrụ ịkpọ akpọ na ana ọrụ ịkpọ akpọ na gị suppose ị na-apụ si na-aba flight. She is the worst thing that happened to Biafra. I'm telling you. You are spot on. Worst thing. I know her. Dugu ma. Legend.
I'm gonna like why I'm moto ụgbọ mmiri were ala Africa aka need this way.
Oh yeah, baby.
Is there now one can go na like go ịba flight. All he jump the king suppose he not jump. They couldn't have a flight. These people said, "I can have a flight," and I called that guy. All man pilot, all man buff na even there. Koi ga pilot the plane. They can ban it. Go I want have a flight in the by beacon. more than like a day flight.
That's on that game.
Mana here play now. Land you take it off. You on that move. That is mana. Everybody on that one, but I'm Pachishana. You never mana on that much Pachishana.
Oh, yeah, be a natural. You be just a we be a natural. You be just a
Every water. I got school low. Mana now.
Hey man, I'm going to go to school. No, not that. Okay, in Rekita. Check an eye. Oh, this is the reason why I'm playing this video. Able business we work in I go to school. One more full gas school yana that's bad cook. One person. I didn't make gas school PhD doctorate. No. They just filter themselves. If an hour capacity organize whatever. In a program. Now so English. Or even confirm broken. Or a problem to them. No get na Igbo. Ibana agwa Igbo Igbo Zubeo. It's all your dialect, no problem. You can ask Igbo Zubeo. Igbo ga-abụ general central Igbo. Ebe akafa focus. If you go against it, a man be saboteur and be terrorist. In another between now. And don't have no case no. Ndị ma ife wee John offer. Ndị be anyị ga screw with the sharp. John oche no case na na-ekwu okwu ya bụ no case ga-ejikọta ndị be anyị. You know what are the points? You more if the way Lasuba na this hour never. Fana me don kanika. Lasuba is so able too much the platform. As certain amount if even the video had book change matter. Oh English. It was so able there or it may be na in our swivel now so today can have with any argument because Lasuba not like everything got through here. You man or man if man on like Oboe pride. In our water, on a money fail, man, like you back. Where go, understand? But I'm not very real. You want to challenge you for I hope again because someone any argument make us show you. I know you buy a problem. So you work it no when they made each. Nege obvious na it brother jam it pataka.
Every my idea. Now in your government. I think a government every chief of staff. Everything I want to say that government here. Now
I can see you. Emmy special.
Anything open. Any minute laboratory you equal the president said. You have to go to chief of staff. You have never organized. By the time you get you let the submit your proposal to the president.
Okay.
And when anybody now be who president, I have that through chief of staff.
Okay.
And they got a chief of staff. Only have we organized the government. You organize government.
In Amia.
You organize government. Don't everything organized. Don't have table president. President, I say one by one, line by line. But not line by line. Onion card. This is done. Onion card. This way before. Everybody should focus on his own lane. Not a lane. Chief of staff with chief of staff. In charge of all departments needs.
Wait.
Information.
No, go to wire. Ben, you were water divine. What's it now? Also, now I can see the reason why this would be is senseless. Maybe he did not even finish primary school, just like Lasuba. Can go to primary school? And I've got another girl school in church. He didn't go to primary school. If you think abroad, the place of the fucking all of highest cut off 2x2 shop in a village. They don't wear bread. Oga bread, na can bread industry. Personal table. If we go on, at some more many have. All last by flavor. Now, village, or corner, but that amount, all on this the colors by village. No walk, no, in other kind of thing. Don't show your voice here. Eating pataka jam, liti, forever. You take a juna.
May we finance you.
John, I see you.
You have to contact the chief of staff. Or may approve.
Oh.
Chief of staff. I want to not the wrong. They can go to dictionary or go to Google. Go Google. What is the job of the chief of staff?
Johnny,
in the government.
Johnny,
Job
thank
of
you.
chief of staff. Government in Nigeria. Okay, from nowhere. Anybody can arrest you, do you anything. No, everything has to go through the proper channel.
Oh.
That is how government works.
And then that chief of staff now is now a terrorist. Is now a Fulani woman. Is now Ngoro Fulani, commander of Ndi Lele Nagana Nagi. Okay? I'm bogi na mad hate 1 year. Okay, na fair now. This are 1 million on in a photo especially all you here. Okay, na fair. Or what I give. Or Tom's the cause another thing. Iti pataka jamli ti boribo. Now call nonsense. The cool explanation all you here. Come on, try no. Lasuba. They can't we eke teleporting easy. They believe Bojo. Even eke self can ask na moko ya bu. I'm telling you. Ezenia, with a sugar can in now run again to get anyway. Now no professor again care for that is I was shy baby can be. No professor again and again. You know much I need again go to radio. And Ibuko Koba. How many cake food been anywhere? How many cake food been anywhere? What any woman in Agano back in Gaba? Yellow man. Very, very evil woman. In all angle, what will be all happen? In a water them on Magana scratch you against scratch you again water. Scratch you again gaffer. After our video, Wagana old video, the bootia. Would you go over and get to go down to my custody now? Obviously that no, they got no, but I don't want to go. I don't have that nonsense time. It's just that what pushed me today to play some of these videos. But I want to say, even if you don't bring my mother, you can insult me all I care, but don't bring my mother, my parent to your nonsense statement. You would agree. Bagging a maggie man kegiwa. Ebe ọ na ya akara na ka nwoke ya mee nwoke pụọ ya mee ndị ugwu na tọkturu na Ọnịcha ji wee kwụsị ya wee tipie na-ene ga ya na ịflọ isi godo Igbo ke nwaanyị Igbo chọrọ njọ ka gịwa ọ na voice ka ọ na agwa ka ọ na ahụrụ ka ebe ị ga-ebido gị aka maka na ụmụ na ọmadụ ka gị nwoke ga anọgị sef n'ọdọchị yoga kpọ oge ye face mask ye sunglass before di na-ege because ọ na-ege anyị n'iru gị ka utu ga-esikwa ọtọ idiot ị na-agwa m okwu a na-esere gị ọ na-abụrụ na mmadụ ife a ga-ekwu mepe ọnụ na-agwa na ihe asị gị na ada na ị na-ekwu okwu ada na iwe lochi iche na because of the word of shame therefore you have license to insult people to talk anyhow. A na-akụrụ gị aka adara gị dịsi ike nna abaghị efuru efu dịka gị efuru efu ọjọọ owo biko kedu onye ga-adị proud na ada kịta ga-abụ ọkwa dị si dị mma pafọ ndị anọ na nnọkọ ezinụlọ ikpeazụ a ndị a bikos nnọkọ ezinụlọ kịta is highly filtered ọ ndị na-aga hụ just ndị a is for apple ka ha madebe A is for apple nothing else ndị a tụrụ with the A is for apple Wholly force of farmer, no school whatsoever. Not say from language I'm in the street. He make a sentence I say that English is always is a haram. Apart from them, go somebody sensible. Guy for the guys who work na Chineke maybe they can more what they can why is such. All the guy people that can blend down and a comment. Yes, now some of these men are having a comment. I say. The only thing you are doing is that I'm a good. I basically that nigga mot attack why. Oh, photocopy. Now, money everything. Kawaii such. It had a way meme happen. Go meme in the ojo. You got for somebody to charge that they can do some man. Or who to charge. Now, I didn't will open. A bob na chiji video dinner kunya. Or to continue. Akwụkwọ eji charge wee na-agara ebe kwụkwa awụsa na arụsị ọ na-aga ọrụ ife ga na Chineke hapụrụ ka ebe ka tụ ife ịdọsa ịma nkwugbu ya biko ikpe na ọdị akwụkwọ arụsị ka kwugbu na nghọta pụta na-abịa na ị na-agwa mmadụ okwu ị na-ekwu agbata gị nkịtị kwuru na-aga anyway Let's continue.
Onye ọbụla nwere ọrụ ya.
Onye ọbụla nwere ọrụ ya o.
Enwebe provost ya bịapụta naanị ọrụ secretary. Ọ na-esi na emere ya point.
Oh.
Ọ bụla secretary abịa ha.
Yeah, I see you, Daniel. You're welcome.
Welcome. So I am secretary tata. Or you come and do emergency temporary or for that day. I don't say I sign a signature yes because they want it temporary. That will see no young the minutes that day. When the guy have on the finance, they want to chief of staff. Oh, everybody know that chief of staff.
Oh.
So now you can't do anything with that chief of staff. Or call Charlie this thing. This is how 1 million on that's how wagon and all. There's some money, but no a terrorist. And I kill black. And I kill black. People told him also.
Yeah. And I'll continue from there. Anyone can lead us in prayer. Thank you. Let me make sure somebody can unmute themselves. Sorry. Go ahead. You can unmute yourself. Go ahead. Go ahead. Adandimbo.
Ezebinedi gwagara na kunana.
No.
Chukwu kikaya pogo. Ezebinedi gwumuga gbakonata. Nna m anyị na-eme ibe isi anyị na-eme ya ka anyị nọ na-eme onweghị ibe ọzọ anyị bụ n'obi ahụ njem nwere onwe ya ka anyị na-eji ijie wee na-asị gị ezi Chineke biko bịa ka ị nọnyere anyị chụọrọ anyị ka a lawa ajọ mmadụ ahụ kachasị ndị sabo ndị si na Biafra ya abịa ndị na-anụ ọgụ niile ebe a na-anụ ka ha wee fụdatị na Biafra ya abịa si Chukwu biko ọgụ ahụgụ nwa ya nụrụ anyị ya gọzie anyị Chineke gọzie ụmụ ife gọzie ụmụ Biafra niile ebe ọnwụ na anyị niile anọ ezi Chineke ma ana m akpọkwa gị n'isi awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ọhamadike onyere m ihe gbaala m ya ume were dọkịta na-agwọ ya ọya Chineke biko ọkwago ka anyị nwee onye ọzọ otu aka na-akpọkwa n'isi ọbata obie udu akọ mmiri na mbiko ihe niile ugoko ọdị n'aka anyị eme nke anyị ji nwụrụ mmadụ ma agụnwa ya eme nke iji wu Chukwu na m ana m asị aka ọnwụna ụdọ ọnwụna ezumezu ọnwụna osi n'enu osi na ọwụ ikwu ọwụ ibe ọwụ onye ọsọkwa anya wụrụ wụ ndị ji ọbata obi eji awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asị m aka ha gbajie asị m tinyere ha ọgbaghara ebe ọnwụna ba nọ na tinyere ha ọgbaghara
ị na-anụ otu iche na gị na mmadụ na-ekwu okwu ị na-anụ iche na mmadụ ka gị na ya na-ekwu okwu yipụkwe shuu gị n'ọsọ mewa mmadụ nwa naira nọkwa hie akwa ege ntị
were ọgbaghara tinye n'etiti ya Chineke pịaba
arụsị na-eje ụka
mee ka ezumezu ha niile ha saa ọpụtara ya walida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ọbata obi ya na m otu a ka si welekwa awa COS wee tinye gị n'aka nna m ọkwado nwa wike yo onye emekwe nke o ji wụrụ mmadụ n'ọkwago Chukwu na-eme nwa onye na-enye ike ajọ mmadụ uke mmụọ uke mmadụ ebe ọsọkwa anya si onye ọsọkwa anya wụrụ ọsọkwa wụrụ mụnwa na-eche echiche ọjọọ megide ihe asụ Chineke megide onye ọbụla na-emegide COS ayo ise ọwụrụ mụnwa na-emegide ya emegide m ise onye ọsọkwa ya wụrụ ebe ọsọkwa ba na-agwụ ije ọ na-agba n'okwu na ala ma ọ na-agba n'elu bed asụ Chukwu asụ megide ekwene ka ba binye ekwene ka nna m binye ọbịa onye ọsọ enekwena anya n'ihu emekọ na-ebele alịlị aka wee ruo mgbe niile ebighị ebi ise
and I put the level of his sanity here. Oh, he said, oh, he had to tell Jide why Tito con not. Ebula get up with what to do why Jaja, Omano. Oh, gonna, Abu, we honor. Tata, how market? Alpha. I go again.
So much. I'm sorry. I didn't put on there. Get it down. No, I'm not. Thank you so much. Maybe you go, yeah, go I like it. All right, thank you so much. Welcome, dear friends. Thank you so much for that wonderful prayer. We thank God. Please mute yourself, everyone. Mute one. Mute yourself because I know I said on the background. Thank you so much, everyone. Welcome, dear friends, to this wonderful, wonderful fundraising for the 40 states of Biafra. I know I started initially to thank everyone.
Okay, I'm gonna stop here to continue again later. Please make sure you like the video before you go. Thank you guys for joining me this hour. There's something that she said about my mother that I did not play here because I did not mark the minutes. Maybe I will bring it later if I remember to show you what she said. That is the what triggered all these things. And the lies about anything, we will deal with it the way it's supposed to be. Our brother Drake is here. Anyway, I will leave you with this.
America. Now meeting with all the high class members.
Viewers, let's watch this video.
Oh,
Come and smoke, Gary. Let me see. On the fire, you there?
The America. Now act like this. Never one in there. Do one man now watching here. Every time not get but I'm getting here on a now watch here. When I go to work with men like Henley.
Jesus is Lord.
Come back here, I'm
This is my friend. They're wasting.
You see this idiot with his attitude. Can you welcome this in na your office? Can you welcome this in na your office?
Will you tell this man to shut his mouth?
How can I see you don't discuss, rather? A man with that any I don't understand.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Why you want to be who is this place with these criminals?
Go and ask your grandfather.
I told him. I cried out.
Hey! Jesus! I beg you, I beg you.
For these useless people, swallowing that him. But look at I want that to know about to be enough. Now, here this idiot to name.
You are a stupid man.
I beg, what in the investment? What do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
Because now everything over to be suffered before. These useless people have destroyed all of them. All of them. This criminal whatever are so bricky. I'm so bricky. I'm going to be bricky. I'm going to be bricky. I'm going to be bricky. is just a name. Our leader Mazin Nandekano, when they are with IPOB. They know him with IPOB. Even with IPOB. Who wants to get comfort with him Amazon? Who you go with him Amazon? They know him with Amazon. They change him Amazon to IPOB. This coward, where it is all that this bricky can change to another name.
Let's be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them. A town hall different from that.
What idea? Do you see how coward some people used to be? Think. Use your brain. You're doing something with the most intelligent people in this world.
What?
Don't focus on one thing. Just a name. A country they change their name. A country. Almost a country changes their name. Ghana change the name. Ghana won't get a governor as of before. Ghana was in the whole world. No, who's a common name? My sisters and brother. Come on. Everybody with the Biafra. Can this man who never went away? That means be bricky. That means register bricky. Oh, there's two. Oh my God. Odon Kampanye Maba Obatopie. Just enter inside him. I will enter inside him.
Shut up, you know, free to.
Whatever my own brain, that food that never need to come up in this world. To be sincere, within 1 second, nobody will hear about them. So, what is going on?
Politicking or the political game. Politicking or the political game.
No, this is an amount of sleep.
That we do. So please, we still have high hope.
Within 1 second,
that they will not fall too cheap to support the terrorist country, because if they do, that means they don't practice what they preach and know how the system works. Remember America, Maradona as well. They know how to play the politicking or the political game.
Man, this guy can't play that big. It's a lie.
That we do. So please, we still have high hope coming from Washington, D.C. And I also want to use this opportunity to let Biafra know that very soon we have a more serious meeting and engagement.
You see?
We'll be having in Washington.
You see how we deceive them again. Give me lies every day. To this criminal. How many minutes meeting come with these people? Can you open it? Can you open it? Now meeting is for how many years? Since this year, even in Bob thought they are on a meeting now Washington DC. John DC. Mama!
Jesus is Lord.
John DC, Mama. Hey, with your social media. The only thing that on social media money. Oh, money. Oh, money is what we do get.
You're not gonna see me there. I'm not gonna come.
But Ezenagu, it's not everything will be on social media. We don't even care. The only thing we need is action. How can you done the country that in Washington DC and a series of meetings every time? Your land is under siege. The only one community, only one town, or Kigwe town came with over 50 armored tanks.
Jesus!
Caterpillar, machine, armored tank. Ukevulu chair with all the terrorists. Ngi group na Kengozi group na Kedi Nigeria group.
You be mumu. 70 years old man.
Nigeria mean for all these governors and senators. Now mind the life of indigenous of Okigwe, you don't even care. You don't even care. What a useless man. Call a criminal Alazaya Nyok. But I was social media wine on yesterday night. I just to watch this man. Oh, when I'm with the wine, okay. Even this man was all job, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's on your bad and the war.
Let's be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them.
Because when you're a fake idiot. Somebody do useless in life. Enu Borono, Mwajani Bobrono, Mwajani America, atrocity all committed in America.
Arrest him. Arrest.
Now life will destroy in America. Now people like calling are useless in America.
Now photo on a vote.
The corpse of him.
The president is now a
just watching this useless time.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Woman. Sorry, sorry.
Already just one name. Somebody asked, did they buy him? So you know this. Democracy. This is my new system. I just sit back and before.
You be mumu.
I'm not know what he was evil to me for John Obi. Gallo na in so safe in Yele, Auna, in a Musi, and young poison. And I'm good yet on one day. Romance, Yammy water. I want know what he thought you would know. He wasn't know that they block them. So I'll get his email. Eventually, woman, that when you if I went to you. You see, they block must be it. You had to because of unnecessary information. You say, okay, block me back. That block.
It's a lie. Why you going to talk like that?
You so gonna for Biafra and they just Biafra. They can maybe they can get it. But I'm my own the monk will be I need one now. I just need to KKC will save this land. Because he is safe good this land. Damn it, Jeremiah, I got my dear good. Every man on the mother, Jani need the Yamaka, Mandemelo. But now, humanitarian distance. Humanitarian, we are right. I'm right to open humanitarian aid.
You did Chris? Why you going to talk like that?
To help people Ndibo. And they go all over the world, man, especially in the Nana, but we see.
It's a lie.
I'm willing to register humanitarian to help our people. Already just one name. Somebody asked, did they buy him? So you know this. Because you believe in a democracy. You want this is my new system. I just sit back and before.
You be mumu.
I'm not know what he was evil to me for John Obi. Gallo no need so safe in your own. You know, see, and young poison. And I'm good yet. I'm one.
Romance, yeah, mommy, water.
I want nobody for you. You also know that they block them. So I'll give it to me. Even to that when you if I went to you see they block them as me. You had to win because of money information. You say, okay, block me back. That block
it's a lie. Why you going to talk like that?
But my own, even the monk will be I need one now. I just need to KKC will save this land. Because he is safe go to this land. Damn, humanitarian distance. We are right. I want a right to open humanitarian aid.
You decrease? Why you going to talk like that?
To help people and they all over the world, man, especially in the Nana, but we see.
It's a lie.
I'm willing to register humanitarian to help our people. Hence, all the register. I will write to the contribution to help our people at home. All the way all over the world. Humanitarian, hence all the register. Because everybody tired. We need to get for freedom now. Yeah, we need to get for freedom. Your mind is go out there. We want the freedom. They make you a jail. Nobody can go down. Where's all you to be? Anna Zotana, where's all you to be? In a book, your freedom, your land is going there. Go for freedom. I'm not there for freedom again.
This is plain. If you want to say something, say it. Don't dance around like somebody who has boil under his thighs.
When people are capable to freedom, I join for now. Or not join for this freedom again. Or they are all fake.
I beg, smart in the investment. What do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
Speak before Biafrans will learn. As a media personnel, if you are working in the interest of Biafra, all you need to do is to share that message from enjoyment up and make it go viral to create awareness. You don't talk like a drunkard insulting people and making them feel that they don't know what they're doing. Stop it. You don't do such. Because this is government and the authority is disseminated from every department. If you're a media, you have your place. That is the danger of some of the medias communicating with men on ground. You are now seeing yourself as an authority because you are communicating with one military personnel on ground. And mind you, it is against the government, against Mazin Namdekanu's order, and against our PM's order for anyone to be communicating with men on ground if you are not in the capacity of government.
Come and sit down, sit down there. Sit down.
You cannot be misbehaving in the media and destroying what we are doing in the name of you are in the media. Whether you are independent or dependent media, I don't care.
Huh? Make a mother block your mouth there.
I am giving you a sound of warning. Desist from that nonsense and stop insulting the authority in Britain.
Ngozona Benza sign our declaration. Ngozona Benza didn't sign a declaration paper.
Shut up, yeah.
Ngozona Benza mana say yawo putia. In the copy.
Thunder fire you. When government approve primary school for you, where you did, where you not go on that time?
I don't know. You don't know. And
I go say a best signature, Eddie. She didn't sign. Almost 1 year hand, that is the signature.
Rich wash and cup of tea, oh, funny people. Rich wash and cup of tea. He went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Oh, Mumu, not too much. Oh, Mumu know too much. Tam David where she daddy. You went to prison for wristwatch and cup of tea.
Muwa, wonya Androdiano, Andy, Kedafiano. Agwa munu mboge nkele biaga sign no.
What?
Jesus!
Ama mundu na that hall. Side of that declaration. Malanda sign na yano.
God should descend, oh, today God will descend.
Agwa munu mboge nkele biaga sign.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey!
Funke!
I beg you, I beg you, so I don't.
Agwa declaration or declare or sign na ya.
It's a lie.
Or sign no do ya at all. It's your signature ya. Ngozo na beza didn't sign anything.
Shut up, you know free to.
I'm out for meat. Anything saga. I'm out for meat. Can we keep ourselves? Because that saga in Abba didn't name me and didn't name Coco, and then I walk with Abatobia. And that because you walk with Abatobia. Okay, can I walk with Abatobia? They know us. Doing any name and social media may affect. Then that I will stop. Which is number one, I will stop. Was the way to eat that time. Can you open up that also can be saga continue? Because I feel that no police will be over to be enough. And they are all on way to take over to be a so that all continue damage.
You don't talk like a drunkard, insulting people and making them feel that they don't know what they're doing. Stop it. You don't do such. Because this is government and the authority is disseminated from every department. If you're media, you have your place. That's the danger of some of the media communicating with men on ground. You are now seeing yourself as an authority because you are communicating with one military personnel on ground. And mind you, it is against the government, against President and against our DX for anyone to be communicating with men on ground if you are not in the capacity of government. So if you are doing that already, you are disobeying the government and you must desist from that. You cannot be misbehaving in the media and destroying what we are doing in the name of you are in the media. Whether you are independent or dependent media, I don't care. I am giving you a sound of warning. Desist from that nonsense and stop insulting the authority in Brigi.
There is God. The blood we are sharing, there is God. There is God. There is God. There is God.
No problem. We need other angels. That is the angel that the angel makeup have released. Instead of making noise and insulting people out of whatever influence, I don't know. You should get busy and share the message of angel makeup for Biafrans to beware. That is coming from the government. Not to think that by making noise, you are making sense. You are just making noise. You are not making sense. So please, advise yourself further and desist from such reckless behavior.
Something way bad for this.
To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
They say, Mumu don't too much, Mumu don't too much. You be Mumu, you call other people Mumu. They never show you say Nigeria is not for the Zani. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Good Luck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Okwasarala Ojaba. It's not for all. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realize this, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us.
All you need to do is
how many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Charlie Boy, Good Luck Jonathan. He wants to be America, we know. Who is America? Don't be small North Korea, they knock America, yeah. Knock America, yeah. When America don't do, America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a magic school with our money.
We are in a very critical situation, and if you want to solve this problem,
you want to please others and displease us, and
if you really mean well, and you have the interest of Biafra and the interest of the people at heart, by making such noise and insulting me in such way.
God no
Is
make
that how you will
mistakes
resolve
when
the
He
problem?
create me John man.
And you say
He
money
did
is not
not
what we
make
need. What do we
any
need?
mistake.
By you making noise
Now
like somebody
God now
else
make me
from the
John man.
cabinet coming to talk, is he going to create more
Because
pencil
the
or
earlier you learn to
ruler
be who you
or more
are, the
instrument
better it will
to
be for
combat the
you.
enemies?
Man know thyself. You don't know
Now,
yourself.
to get all the rulers and all the needed items to combat the enemies.
Somebody
Is it
had been
noise?
away for
Is it not
94
money?
days.
And if you cannot,
Post-president, big
excuse me,
photo
support
president.
with
Nigeria
the
president now
finance, and you
photo.
are discouraging
Everybody go
Biafrans
close now
from
photo
going
with
to
that.
support
So
by the
say our
country.
president takes that photo
Do you
with
think
the
what you are
vision
doing
of
will help?
Archbishop of Canterbury.
So Biafrans are
It's that photo with the Rogers. It's that photo with this one. Now president now photo on a vote. Your president is now a picture. Photo. Not be juju be that.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Woman. Sorry, but you hope another defeat.